fi
Danyame ase na that means obekwa adwuma na anza na de wonko
sen pomfo di jawa na de aso so na sebi odisi yezo anko akọ adwane nti kwade meko na akọ hese betitu no mai
aja okoso na o da so ade yemato atwen awrade anim
oh nyankopon da womanti yemfa osa sembi amen
anyway
o producer na bomodia no tunufu yi ene da ko pedie o hwenyame ni
ono Monday no yare nti ahwa me permit no
we na ni ken o pala dia ya zo yare hanya ni wuta
anyway but I last weekend say nurses omo postings by but say be na aba ho
yo kofi da wase na me chewa tiefo a mo sichi ni benche tani o kan ya no say emre ti san na so o ti san bi sebi ya dia abesi saman san ko ma fe no COVID-19 the senti aban I used so many directives na national service also sebi agency of government na law abiding in no already na ya ni workers no ko aye nhihye ya sene be ya so beche nti ze okobia me oba me secretary to department do hono ma se bi enipa ne nan na masasi ama milu na eba no aba ene se sene ubisa nurses nka agi situation also must start on Juma 1st April nti last week any really see postings no na ko vum se na sasa bi se postings ba the kind say over register so that the system will capture you and so now start here you but what I say then so you really see postings hello
Mitopa
you really see postings the and say you advise you ma omu kwanche so bianko hospital say adenako na nka first April no start here juma na emrepemu no ebebo maba national service secretariat na nka omo register. Then so Aviana management led by the executive director, Eddie new directive Aba, the new directive in say. Ye 5 education is what catch nurses and say. Nationwide, when you are Asante wedding to baby, in share from Kudubian, so Mutia, the Abana say. If a then combat started 1st April, Nanke, Chiroma Bam, ye register woman. She said, ye chomutin tuntan. Ubian, Tani Fee, nurse, Nibia, opposes Abano. Don't report at the hospital. No, don't report. If you go see, yeah, this 1st April, Ekosi 30th April, ni na amba womu. When we think I just say, no, we service here 12 months.
Exactly.
Not the last month, no. Yeah, the amount as terminal leave.
Okay.
In this case, no, you are reversing, no. When we can take you on terminal leave, no, at the first month, na April, no. I'm referring to the nurses.
Okay.
It from 1st April, impo 1st April kwa yesa se na meboa yawada ya yesifu yawada ekusi 1st April. Nurse bia en report won trefi. Nemum edu se efesi etwom kwa ebe nhihye ya wo se efimi ni edi twom ka. Ye du mu terminal leave na nke ye the last month no ama wo mu sisi. Nti ye di ka no. Na we say service in one category of people.
Okay.
Majority of them na ye woman almost start September. Nanka o mawie July na August I almost terminal leave.
Okay.
What I say.
Okay.
It is over 2019 2020 service year for now. One shall see 1st September. Into this situation in Kawomi 11th month no ebeye 31st July 2020.
Okay.
Nanka 1st August to 31st August no I almost terminal leave. So was what I say. Into womu so no countrywide for that matter in Asante region we catch room say wow your services CLBR say we no private and now public institution if you 1st April equity 30th April no don't report at work.
Okay.
Yeah, they also amamu as their terminal leave.
Okay.
In this case, you know, say nyame bo ani resume if you think the whole of August no one kwa adwuma no omoko say adwuma na chim.
Okay.
So that it will constitute that 11 effective months. No?
Okay.
It will be a teaching and say departmental heads. Make departmental head because several departments e can friend say this year Mr. Pokumensa mo service person e nyu mo de na mso mo beto use mo local rules na say emre ebe mo na say management issue statement ya ye be pay radio kase ti say Nhyira ne account room it is obi tie ni na or your departmental head especially menu to for wo gively e no adua no frɛ me ti say de kan say mama service personnel no entime fee na for 1 month the whole of April so that we will resume August na nkomo kwatena fie ne atwa mu kana he terminal leave no ma ye adwuma no e di ahim na kamede ma no si na ka me stress kofi with reference to the nurses in the no so you see senior president now can say these are not ordinary times message baby abubeto bia yempoyim baby edo ma to bia no with all respect kebe ya nkomo report e wo ho say reposting bebrebe ni ade ni nyina so your contact ni bia na genuinely when me say obi akoboko ni hospital na ni agency ya be rejecting no or say national service ye mandate say ye pay baby man to reposting and also so no me fa kwanya so aka chi me say all reposting no have come to halt.
Okay.
I say ye anything reposting until say 1 month ni dem mo so mo fie no when they resume now wow we qualified to be reposted no ni ahso ayama nti ubisa sanete e be say obia eni sanhihye no so na me directors no so no yes your platform dey atoso but me dey say directors no be 8 me at the district no they should comply with this directive na she say bia ntumi kojo se ne fata na mesere so say president ka say ye mompaye umi mfanya agudi Ghana for the ejinyamidi mama yen konyame ni wa ho brase e kwa so simple do hu ni kura ha me didi ye say odu ye foto wo bompaya oso hu nyankopon e be ma ne saso ama bibia akoso na ya say panic ene da fear na amanfo anya wo mu nso wo munya abutre cause o me hu kura wu ma psychological ne so sebi wo di kan cry dey ewu nti mpacho ubisania na sanity.
Okay, for the purpose of emphasis any information, currently this month year muno service for ne yeden omunyina atifie and omuda da sokwa adwuma.
This month?
Yes, bosumi ya enwuye.
Na me ka say ekriya wona this holiday no started 26.
Oh, okay.
Nti enne de bia obi abitumi akona akobwaabwa no ho de year to year. But effectively no started 26 March aye etinyawo na ye did the whole of April no so aye dey aka ho.
Okay nti for now for ATN a wenya postings or nurse national service omuntwen till the end of April and so we resume ona wom dada no so enter fie till the end of April.
Nurses no kwa so mpo de kofi omo da no omo edu madwumari nyina e ba wie 31st March ya. Okay. Nemum mass service personnel omo start 2019 September no. Omo na omo se ye ka chi omo se e fit na aircon. Ma obia ba bi edo ko e bia say ye public institution na private institution. Ma obia anko adwuma no omo take omo terminal leave na ko me fa no August no in April.
Okay. Obogu anope bibi o na be ka twato en fan community.
Yeah, covid e make twato no say o say adura ye we bebre aye on scheme media. Yeah. Na impempe nan kan dey ton no say management may decide when and how to sell it. But say o man dani is say no say regional director bia no hwe na wo de na wo regime no pe bias na no mu negotiate. Ndi ko fi mi wo bro anase scheme no wo bro be over 6,000 back.
Brana be advert ha na yenye ho de roma.
Ndi wada roma ya brana be to bi wa.
Anyway, thank you very much. For because and wedding komo and because of National Day of Prayer intino yasasa the programming, the sports and so Emma no pay and 10 o'clock ni nyina. E betre mu a na yed wako na fe ya hwe sede eniama e bisi so asiako nti anopai ye kanyina ne se ma onyame eni wani kan na ye nkoso a Empire. We have a lot of issues. I Benyamre Edihu Enkomo. Bidi Dianaba Kofi Asantienin. And of course, Anopay Ugusua Utie Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Yabeko nafi yahwe other issues yene nyamiasofo bi no bedi nkomo. How should the fasting be wana ebia wana hoden wo form no ni nyina nhihye ya yabetu ebo ase na yetimi nso edi ho nkomo. Well, ubetimi akwa Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM and you share with us saying and I was started o fasting no na a day potty and oye and so these are many other issues and we're looking at it na yetimi ama niema nyina so akoso kama ede amount. Of course ni nyina no ye hwe na ye bisase, are you fasting? And I say you are not fasting. And my you say also oya o fasting there. And I say na also oya o there ni nyina no there ye benyamre na ya hwe. But I want to believe say and nipa dodo no ano atake a serious advantage of near air crossing ubia dodo no de won hwahim aye nyina ye hwe se yebema nyame tumi aye kese na ye nyina atimi atake advantage na ya part of this prayers. Anyway, mebacho ko Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM na fa wo comment ebreme fa wo adwenkyere bibia ebra na ye nyamre na ye ni nkomo.
What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. The angels bow before Him. Heaven and earth adore Him. What a mighty God we serve. The angels bow before Him. Heaven and earth adore Him. What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. Angels bow before Him. Heaven and earth adore Him. What a mighty God we serve. Angels bow before Him. Heaven and earth adore Him. What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. Angels bow before Him. Heaven and earth adore Him. What a mighty God we serve. Angels bow before You. Heaven and earth adore You. What a mighty God we serve. Angels bow before You. Heaven and earth adore You. What a mighty
Kuro Yi Mu
God.
Nsem.
Okay, Abusan 4, it is just 58 minutes past 6. A national day of prayer. And you go to pay me, and now we'll talk to the experts. You're near ready for bidding combo. Saying almost do Mushim and Ubi Biara. Nina Ayad and Koma, you be the the Central Business District. Na a doom near. Are there any special program I did the phone as she said, Nina and command or pay you better boss in a year.
And now, Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
yesa una mejime haunina ra abaweni mo na menim sewe radokasa me hanyina me da dwinyina ebeyeji nutime sewe radokasa mama kuma tomiemo minya mikasa me radikasa eradikasa mama kuma tomiemo minya mikase me radike bi mamie eradikasa mama kuma tomiemo okwa mi kwi wa brabwe mu mi ejume biara yeye arade mi pray do any mana minya mikasa radike bi mamio eradikasa mama kuma tomiyomo asama tumi wo mejume imu mi manu biara yeye arade masemi edu anywana mi kama fukasa radike bi mamio radikasa mama kuma tomiyomo Woma waremu ni jojo bebreba mi na muya arade matiti edu anywana mi kama fukasa arade kebi mawio radikasa mama kuma tomiyewo so I can be blind me amingo minya me so ashra me na minya umo eradikasa mama kuma tomiyomo.
Okay, 2 minutes past 7. Live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. National Day of Prayer. Who started the special edition of Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. My uncle Maso na yene the Bishop for Kumasi Diocese of the Methodist Church Ghana and Chairman of the Regional Peace Council. Right, Reverend Christopher Nyakwandam. Papa, anope mwache di Nhyira FM.
Ejimo Nhyira.
Papa mpacho busanfo nyina ho ye de.
Adom na mpacho munso.
Adom. Now no weekend in a president they declare National Day of Prayer. Meaning say the various Orthodox churches, Methodist, Anglican, a few of them all lent mudada. And now everybody is being encouraged. Say and fire hunshim. No so abo fasting be to say then a Christopher the importance I beat me at me and my impact be o me.
You are medasta. Nhyira what you phone so. Me did say maybe kana ya das babero ofiri ampon so wama and the atwe na science share president na daroma won se hunya say ye frɛ nyame eba nia afi mu no me did say ye na ebeboa to bibia eni na ewia say too much commercialized. Sika we nti as na area free nyame kakra in a way. Na adia no so na me fi mani nyame no no bo ni wiase ono no control ni wiase ene ne metesa. Nti we are a wake up call to us say you to me get we change the Canada president ase. Na near abba ne de me ngidi se wunya kan be because bisi lady obia eni yade a atiatu wiase na so a bisi nde wo pa no adru kra enyi wunya bie ade an se ne akọ no hwe say attention wiase na so say wo hwe get na and say there's 90% of the various countries in the world there are you bia and non kwanumpu ekasatre ya de fodo but ya na space specific we say ya de bia ba ebia wa Africa mamu Africa mpu enta ma say ya de bia ba ayu bia wa Africa na ya de bia ba ebigina ba bi kakra ebia na ofofo na aye o ma enta massa start na aye o enta nko isi ne metesa na we bia yi wiasa na esese enokra so ekasatre won kwangi so ne di kan say Yesu ankasa mribi krokatre suafo ne say na de bani de this empaboni akomchi o na suafo no di jama ma boa won enti sa COVID-19 ya bayi na miama nipa ndiara yi ya akra ye scientists ni ye doctors ni ade no ebi come nimpa na say what if fabric mamu America na ni amane ade a say binya so woni nyansa chen ya before but na kade apparatus na science what is papa bia wodi enhwehwemu de wodi enka oma come nimpa na nsu nkrofo ya enyi China ho mo sha ase na omo ye enyi what the na call for me interest o munya ho adru management of the disease no enema if you assess ekofom na mo madru pa de o munya bi a wode ka America na say kwa wo so wo trade we go hwe sani ade na tia na se wanya ho adru o hwe yare wo ho de down because wo se Kuro Yi Mu Nsem bi wo kika book yare bi wo de down na mo de TTP van na ma na wo kika book ma tsa hwe se ebe ye adwuma ti mi gidi se ye adru no me ne president ya bin se yen fam paibo ene akomchi enka ho na eno ebeboa ne adin bia no eje di megade things that are impossible for man to do nya media entesa nya mitumi adi na ayo na he is able to change the weathers say onu nya misomu a na okasi nya ya ebijai mra asote na body ndende wo training ni esuafo yi bia yusu woni bia wo fish ni ade hu na he took just a command from the Lord, say peace be still, and I did it. And it's out from everybody, as I for ready, Cassachan from Mano, Emma and from Atadi. Now, and there you may be, me did say, Quia, your day first so, Cassini. The Cassian say, a bonfire, I'm on my Ghana, and we are Jafanina, you did carry a better mind, a better take pass it. Ewo Ghana ho bebi a waboan ya bedru me no mi na be ya dwen se ye de ho toto amama bi aka o bibi mu ha en so onyame asisi en kakra fan ntokwa ne ya de ibula ne ya de kra no se ifitra Ghana o mi ifitra Ghana en so entrese ye papa sen nyame ne do ne na dom a ikra Ghana le boaye yi ntokwa na ade a Africa ha ye to ababia politically this political view not just say Niamaniama na say my mind be Bimukuran they have not been able to reconstruct it. Inside say Wakotoaba and Mokoshe Niama Manya Papa. And so Tambia if we try Ghana, we always come close never at the Kuro Yi Mu na will free outside. And you know you can as a banner the Bemo Tridiampon, send the persuaded Ababi Drew. Near Tosun Yenu. And say, you don't umpire the president, so I say, Unyamensa. Yeah, one will say, yes, or Okura no credit, Yana song. Now, or my need any president, so on misfire, the entire nation has misfired. And the Babu umpire saying, I mean, as a work when Yami and I or Solomon, Emma Nyansa, one so to the boo or mine, Israel. On Febima, your president, His Excellency, and Abdankwa Kufado.
na mebiara obeka bibi na ye bibi anyame na nkasa na ahye no ne be ya nyama ina de koyie na ma o man nti emempa bo apart from say the nyame ase e wo man Ghana be bi odi abetu no ye bebo mpae so the president so asho nyame nsa na yewia yade aba wona yade ni bi aka won no ye bebo mpae se onyi onyame oye yaresafo no onhwie na yaresa honhom ne engu safo no so na onsa won yade ibinum anya yade ni nyame adoma de we able to recover and no sa nyame bitumi aye de nsa keka won woda yare mpa so na wa sore na kase a ye bo humpa ye de breso won pa bo na contribute say the Lord himself should stop the spread of the coronavirus disease iriase na Ghana de oni sokra nti eno so ye beta ho asem ye the health workers and one boa in the of this COVID-19 now so be ready enim say unyame kan ho we need to partner with God. We cannot do it alone. And yankwa de ya enyi ni na agise nyame wom okwankyere focus ye no akyere yankwa ni ehu semi ye be ye no ewia ye de Ghana ebu ni pay na so be shu nyame nsa na bambo se enkoso enkrayen na efi ado nyame asese wa ma yakonya ya bananim enti sa skili ele befa ye de ayo na yeslam for say obi afa ne hunhyem kakra bi obi abetuma ye no na etinya boa we o mamuni na o na say ye yo Israel for ne mamuni ade na ibisisi na ne wikura wo so ma odinfo na odwane ye no ekọ ho no ohene ne te ye na okas won ye no we na metina mu no wo ye ye eninti asafo awrade hu omobo and we fro so we still believe in the existence of God and Islam for say one fa wo hunjim untumi ye nkoduru no isi akora kakra bi a obetumi aye no and say ase o fast no so afukra na bibiki a na wugina mpaibo no mu empai titiri na ihia na ye the fast no e troko no ama empai ni mu aye na the church say ade we die na de ban no enye empai nko a na momfa akom cheso enka ho enunti empai na Christopher die ni na ya chekoma bompai na ye dia mo my Ghana.
So for Safeno Ajani the Bishop for Kumasi Diocese of the Methodist Church in Ghana, the Right Reverend Christopher Nyakwanda Mono Ansona ye Regional Peace Council Chairman. Edin Komo Efa Akwanche Bread Day Kwanya Ghana ye fa so aye no na wachechire mu. Papa manfo bisa se Israel num ye man anyame kura enim se ye o man heaven crew ni where God belongs and where God is originating from concept bebre empire betimia sanka sabrinka o matimi abo aso anu idly pope e hono free and so the omeya yi then e be catch us afo no
yo bira medase amen no kre nyame sabi onye Israel for nko anyankopon mom oda ne hu adi akire wiase no eho eno twafae se de be ye hwe so de ama wiase afana ina and the God of Israel is also the God of Ghana nyankopon yi mpebebre ye bompa emotie amamu ha mi anu je de nko Israel da and the reality empire no kakra na daroma wa so di area meeting bi kakra
utie pa
obi pe kra akwa e wanche utie do na Ghana ha na wadi no ha and so they are bompai
okay
area meeting na kire so nyame onye Israel for nkwa enyankopon
okay
but I believe that even in Israel they have also recognized the fact saying Israel for nyame ama onyansa ne adomoko animpa ewo abode hwehwemu ne ne ma tetesa na so waye bia wo hu se ba bia adu no esese obam nti won kra so wo ahye won pai bo ase awobo America of all places anim die kwanim sika wo ho akode ne adi na wo de ateta manyeye no mpe nansen wa fi ase enso ede pai bo ka ho because as we are see na hu se ye jenyame wachiri na ya mfasa nyame yamba ansha na ankoyi amaye Uti asema Mr. Prime Minister of Italy na bika yare o hwen se ni usika ni se ni anima ya o mu usua o se omo aye science bi ese so mo yo makopem physically just na me digu akwamu to stop the spread lockdown one mask ne mane ade spray ya horo o ma yini na o makopem ya kwa na de na ekotro now see they are looking up to the sky. Na ne all can say see the nyame and wash no. And you know, me did say near see so I Kenya we are kakra at a point me could nyame akire science and technology and ne keka ho ama say yes ye nyame mpo e say bibia whatever the problem is science will resolve it for us. Na ene who said beyond the science no bribi or what say and say we'll go back to God. And you know when we say adiane shall say Israel na adiade we are see na Kenya and say we are see na original e Bible. Me did say yen so me fa yen say yen kra the Israel of Africa onyame betie empire enti yen fa didi so.
I say yamfa gidie ensum na mejiri se nyame betimi aye bibi papa e dey na be ka kire Christo for Ghana for all faith believers as abri as ehu ahyedodo na ama and dodo na gidie apabrim pa asore kura nhia ne nyina mo bompae wona watitifi sabri nipa nyeden agidi fo nyeden.
Yeah, and okrepa you idea to boom idea exercise culture any way of living ba e be yifu wa natural say ehu beka na momo menka si nyankopon no wa hye nkura and say he has not given us the spirit of fear. And you know yinfi ehu ne hu kakra yema ehu say yesu bebre so mpa nyama bi exercise ye na ye de boy ho ba na nhwa na yentume anyo na ebe hadwen ne kasi ene say near Ministry of Health and one of Shapum din diaba ebituma boa ma yesi spread na no as I say yes say Bible no say watch and pray to the fact say ebo mpa no enkyere say ma yenye ahweyi nso ti dema wodi egu akwamu amayen sa ABC dibia wode amayen no as I say yedi me did say wa ka kire say ye na sige winti a ye winti mu ebi a tissue paper mu na ye dispose of it ntene ya fankoto dad mu say wo handkerchief nso a wo di gu na che handkerchief nso a contaminated no say to say ya de ni bia ba wo winti gu ma say wo ko dispose of say ye ni ye say ye bemben ye hu bebre e say ya de na ye obi foforo a ensure papa just say akwa nim kakra ansa na sentence but nya ye nipa na na church we fiase Fred ya no wai obitume ama obi fofo saka enti in distance ya hon from one another kakra na etumi aboa bia ekueku nipa ti bodom pinhie eno so enye so ba akopekra na wum na nipa ni na akuhia wanhwa na odi asa na dodo ni na eno so as much as possible no yentwe ho front gathering of masses no and also waka say yinyai efi yan ho yensa empe bibre ade we ni American say nyame ya adom ene de jakofie na edi ho fo se first no kura de maybe wo P5 ni ade ne ye boy de na ho say wo do sa na F5 fa wo ka ti ni mu na wo sa dem na na ekro no ya na sa amre ne ka so African Games are not harmful and na high say no the world has become a global village. And ni yade a Asia for yade ni yade a European for yade ni yade a Africans yade because akwen true ni ade Africans were Europe America baby Americans were ha baby and yade bi e wo baby first na area specific na nti sabi ni na wa nti ni omo church ni so ya wo yensa na me gidi say at the end nyame be yade so experience no be experience na yetume I develop that culture no cry a bit my boy na beka yen wa ene wo na tese o sori awo beka ohro wonsa no nko ampo beboa COVID-19 kokora beboa me yinyarwa akoto na ade na afu that is sad de na me ye culture say better awofo yensa yes no so enye running water nye nsu a te gugu mu ya wo yensa because wo ho nsa na aboa no kotobu num na ekire no sa akọ nsa na je so asan akọ pick up ano no enti ne enye running water nti omuma yenhwe the use of towels after washing hands and cry no or discourage also yi one hour share tourism na the so cry the about hotels na ade no they should discourage the use of towels no use tissue be pray because tissue need you use ya no dispose of it and to be akotom kra na now we don't transfer it to the next person who come to use the interest ade no so na emwa o ma try and say yi yenfa sanity Kaizet any ye yensa ho papa na ya ye no na no beboa no so bia sa aboa ni bi kura by mistake akota wonsa ho a ebetume akuno ansa na wonsa ko ni ho ma yenta amfa yensa nsresra yenim what na ye den pa yi amato kura se mi wi afi o me de mensa ka ni em sen kaka kra
de chamra nsem du no kura papa
ha enti ne kase no se wa ho wonsa na the sanitizer no aye wonsa ho a e by mistake wonsa ni hu kwa na te so nyame ado mu ye protected na etumi aboa se e ba se bibi nti se wo ko baabi a nipa be emi du bi ni ade ho na wo mask na use mask na e beboa o peso issue go betumi issue grove no so say is a plastic bi to buy ya no you know what watching na etumi aboa ena Ghana for so change attitude nipa ni bia ka kire obi se o the mask share na no ena ofro trotro na ebi wo trotro mu o di na tem ebi ni ene enka wato ka na nanje na we nso dia ben na mu group na ya enti as education e kono ka nipa ne so je wate enso emfa ne ho enti we need change of attitude seriously sene be attitude towards COVID-19 no be positive ya nhwe ya education ko do wo ye na no enfa amwaye watch and pray ye bompa ye radi bitie na nso ese ehwe ehun suye ndi sa na mo na obi egu akwan mu nya no wo ma ye ni so nso yesramo madaroma enye se o mine mpese asore koso na emom at this critical moment na ya de no eta nte bebremra nipa abo chinkupi no na president asrese ye ntwen kakra minim se ade we be free on ya say ehihia but for now no de ye best o madaroma obi andi so mai na one apart from CC ade ne kwan na de asumdue so ba because what the was or mba kwose baby na police for ba so obepon no anhwe kura obi ekupra na o man asumdue no so e ho ya tetima to obi andi sese o de egu akwam no so na ebu asafo da dem ni so enche onyame be ma nsa so na yi na to azuri atase hwe onyame die ne
amen baba ye beda wase mejiri se bibini a ye be san so aba won chen na ye no wadi nkomo anope
mempa ebutia ye share akom chimpa boya se onyame eja opano krokrodi mu amen anope the Bishop of Kumasi Diocese of the Methodist Church Ghana, the Right Reverend Christopher Nyakwandam ena mote say ye no edin kom no we declare the national prayer no for the region amayen e sha se onyame eja nyame oba nyame soso krokrodi mu amen and in turn pay ye bi I want to believe say ubia edin ho ahyema o ye bi including miamenia papa e ofia ha and pay nyina ye bi
hear the word of Yahweh Elohim. I'm on fire. Erasi wula, so ye bibi atobwasiro. Erasi ni made dodo nyinara, wula diwati. Azasi ayatizi wula, so ye bibi atobwasiro. Berafom. Erasi ni made dodo nyinara, wula diwati. Sakatira surodarata na hawa gradi woman master enzo mo from isenya kupoma ave mani diewa yi sakatira surodarata na hawa gradi woman master enzo mo from isenya kupoma ave mani diewa yi ave fede buso samukanda su ye adaso zikane brecha fede anja fuada su bradi Samusi wana kuponi wa afedi awusuni wakakra musisi demu Mumpemra banti sese ana mumeka mabusu semunuai Ayi Nyankopɔn wa afedio shekine wakakra mo sheshadam umra bonti sesia na mo meka mabusu samuno ai
Okay, episode for this is Koyampong Ajanuni, and I want to believe it's a very powerful song for the bread to see you. Ma young Kwahuma Sona, young Kunkudin Combo, and Nano Pay, Numi Nana Yamafi Bakwampem Nana, and you may say all day, and Yabompire say a rather bedroom here, no wish I am. Jesus and I fasting would do wish him. Nano Pay, good morning. My young Kwahuma Sona, Yane, one lecturer at KNUST at the Sociology and Social Work Department. Now, when you experience kakra for the last 1 month, you see in na or Hong Kong. Now, said the system no is managing na said the nyama usiye no oba Ghana about 3 weeks ago. Now, we shed the AC kono. Again, and as a social science lecturer, who bit me educate and you're the blending in our boom. Now, your experience being bit me share with us. Mr. Edward Samoa, Ewa Humaso, Mr. Edward, I'm going to the bench FM.
We do so, Minia Kofi Apante.
Yes, Senior Bibiabo Code.
Yami Adumo, Mioya Pa, Nampacha, Monsoe.
Yami Adum, Bibiabo Ko. Good. Mami Misau, you now Hong Kong for all this while. Just about 3 weeks ago. Now, Oba Ghana. I want to believe Zawa tested BBA and you are safe.
Very, very safe. Ma go through all the protocols. Any problem be
Now, this issue started now Hong Kong.
Yeah.
And with the bag Ghana. My the picture. Sign on take you on there. And Oba Ghana head the Oba be who de to one. Sign I am so handle no. As a social scientist, a dear now be to me educate you for so.
Yo, Minia Kofi and a pay me that was say. Me chair a tea for that was until my moon and a Ghana my moon na. And that was some of my Sakwan semen so the big account one for COVID-19 who may at the phone in other channel no pay. So they also decide no Hong Kong and China a share border. So more when you say on my back you know China for Hong Kong for so call China pa. And to that COVID Mesa see what we have no measures Hong Kong government here and here say obey restrict movement. And you know a do baby crime borders are free Hong Kong air China and China for banner or more partially no or more close to it. To the extent at a point you know so more close completely. Now over Hong Kong now China now the cases are Hong Kong record at this point, we don't say Hong Kong for a idea pa. Now, measures now over the good for Monosono a year Juma. The idea Hong Kong for no, even say because of so many China, you could back no matter Monka Crentino. So, Mamma money and your day, no mamma measures I know dear in Yajuma, Yareno, a big common for. And you know, it wasn't a shutdown, but almost close to all borders. And now almost close to a lot of flights from communities to other countries, almost flights in Hong Kong at this moment. I can say, na me na mu bia do ma ye timi pi ba be du ye mem. Let's go by now nke aka ono. Enti me da bobo ne ma kakra bi e koso sese na media na me de social science perspective kakra evem. And currently, no me head Ghana buy ya na me ni Ghana buy or born home modern media monso mo bo mo home modern pa e bi so bia de no ho agim na mum ehia sa ya tokoso na ye bi ka ho te di kai Hong Kong to say obia obe kukuru nim so ye Hong Kong G another Chinese now be record be an ye track with a wristband. Now wristband is your man and say udu who flight in month and I'll be seen on the mouth form no was failing no declare that they will call fee house number or telephone number near the would the same back here airport one near the amber number. Now there are two options. One option is say either so be decided or better now will feel self quarantine now yeah kind of Ghana hano and also the government facility. Now sa amber now make kind of jumadia aid in say and not be move beyond 1 minute walk area. And you could do fear now activate on your smartphone. Then there's an endpoint obi monitor the way be and it comes with penalty. And you understand it say the any panel will fee now 90 PA no more obi a penalty of $5,000 on Hong Kong dollars. May have had work of prison for 6 months.
Wow. Na ambani what here?
Oh, the way it's an empty. Like no tenebia ombe bibia obey with the ambani biano, it gives a feedback at an end. Now say the Katagana hamba and the better near Timiare. So me say very simple. Tagana ya track your car.
Okay.
And to say obi on man car, yeah, you man go through more. Obetime who say driver no e the car na Kumasi akodu frame. Enti Ghana for attempt to say no thank you nyina adisua for lecturers, teachers, for scientists, doctors. Ye kaya who boom ni require be fa so a ye betime track the movement of the people coming. Ya no air transfer we the back. Enti movement no ene ma ya no etiatete. Enti ya intime control nkofo e bi ofi akaba Kumasi ofi Kumasi konkran ofi Kodibu and ba Kuro Yi Mu a and the situation be very volatile and to say Hong Kong another US another China but the be almost be na kwa kodu and you know a bit of
Hale. Wow, too bad. I think I was enjoying the discussion. I reconnected Mr. Edward back.
Now, bloody woman and master, and someone from his young Papa, a very many dear. Sakatira Suro director, now, bloody woman and master, and someone from his young Papa, a very many dear. I'm very dear, was some kind of so, yeah, so we can break a fade and for us already. Samusi wana kuponi wa afedi awusuni wakakra mwasisi adamu Mumpe mrabanti sese ana mumeka mabusu samunuai Samusi wana kuponi wa afedi oshakine wakakra mwasisi adamu Mumrabanti sese ana mumeka mabusu samunuai
Okay, 32 minutes past 7 live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Okay, my and discussion, then quickly, Yababi Dibjakakra. Okay, Edward Asamoah, a lecturer, KNUST, Sociology and Social Work Department, our year, our year, PhD, Hong Kong. Na experience kakra the last 3 weeks so free or buy or share with us and I di Hong Kong. Edward, now chere ambanda or the possibility of Ghana say bit me I be understands.
Yeah, until I say, yeah, my moano, yet to me track a car. Now, say ambulance by government spend considerable time at the track a car and so that they are driver fee or multi fan koye, you man for scanning room botum. Me sure say, you bet me adopt that process no and that technology no. Where they are coming out with armbands, I bet me connected to phones because this time they will be our smartphone. And I think the paddle go now will be. And I know bet me may track Ghana need be over Ghana because they are Ghana for Beba. Or no sooner bar or the arena to buy them will be or Ghana only be. Because the engineer break the spread now. And the Ghana had the me Mobokaka. The Ambano is one of the surest means that may assure the government, scholars, researchers, you are combining within the shortest possible time. You get the solution at Ghana. Now, make a be so far persuasive communication. Meaning, are you okay with the Amber now? Make a persuasive communication.
Okay, I think Amber and Penny Footy will look at it near how best on bit me adapted. But by approach I communicated to a T4. Would you say young call for me, man from fine serious?
Ukraine, a man from far, you are serious, said the
because I just checked Hong Kong. On a China was here. Hong Kong, and Nipa as at today, Omania be 387.
Yes.
And about
a PK just some few weeks ago, about last week and this week.
Yeah, and 102 are recover.
Yes.
And you have just active case of 281 and Nipa 4 and actually one. Then you have just 4 in critical condition. And how much me I there? Very, very serious. Anyway.
And to say, I make up persuasive communication,
Yeah.
Me feel say, media, more there. Munina, make me mobile stations, but Munina, more there, because more government effort now, or they crable the COVID-19, But the big account, as a social scientist, even though I employ persuasive communication to change attitudes, me feel say there might be a mistake. I didn't see China, your images and the situation, the way it's here. And over WhatsApp, go forward, Funadaka, Yashia, where you saw a quality to the young day. I think there is an do saying anything access to that a scary situation way. And to me, suggestion as a social scientist, you bet me I will be kakra and the man concerning a bomb so using persuasive communication. This time round, you could go through lectures, you pick just one aspect. Because the message in the source may be credible already. But I have the content of the message. May I recommend say young picky messages are induce a bit of fear. So for example, we have them no white charge no Italy adaka area to see over 200, 300, 800, 1,000. I was saying, Kadia advert via FM so na TV so I for that TV so now you're screening situation for people to see. You will come your billboards and screens and control and they advertising them. But they also be about support, so all hands will be on deck. Mama projected those messages everywhere. Even church crowd say the government at that room sorry. But any other media churches no platforms and we use be I send those messages and every man called pro and was a seminar cano and Yasan Kitwa. Otherwise, you bet me iron sections into the sense again and you or be safe in our own country. And I can better make up from the persuasive communication point of view, and it's a messages and induce a bit of fear. Because I got a panic, but it's not about panic. Way I tested. After the Second World War, it was used in the effect of war. And from there, you encounter never again. And since then, never to improve to a certain degree. Me assure that Ghana, you need to adopt that persuasive communication.
I see. But what do we need to from now here? You think say adapt some measures here to memufo no and you ma begin some said the echo Italy.
The way I na okoka obi beka say bia we dum say ya. But Kofi, yare we no the way it it will be better so we be dum say ya no solve problem no. But say be your pious. Na len koka na the yare be di ensem. We can go for the government in lockdown.
Yeah.
And one of the possible means that they are containing the virus. But me feels that in addition to lockdown and any other major government person on the banner, Ministry of Information especially should put bits and pieces of videos of COVID-19 any sector and our people. Now you magana for so you share. So the better you need to change your attitude.
I see. Anyway.
Education here, but you quite a bit further.
Ra Edward Asamoah, lecturer, KUST Sociology and Social Work Department, and a PhD student in Hong Kong and Obaya, or share a bit of experience with us. Bema, Bibiani Amesanfro, and I'm grateful for Ebra Wenyamaye. We'll talk. I mean, this Sure. Now lecture in one of my subjects at the university, and you were indeed a fantastic man. I mean, Nhyira, you be sure. I was okay.
You are so powerful. Avazafu amude domutu musamu na muadom bebere wo maimono umbiye mera bonte umera meya sole na yeje coronavirus nti ememe nyina yemma coronavirus nti azafu nyina yekom agomugazi abibaza zizu nanyadiane komo radia samu komo biri nadu nyamemma mumambayo. Nhyira yekum Arari ake kanu wase kindi uwame Vyasi nyina usoyo nyangu ponti musono Samusha ni munyamda Sajani miyo Sajani miyo Musa misa nyangu powa Aferi menidie Anso menidie wanyina Sajani miyo Ibolaba manyano wadro ave coronavirus namba no wakristo for dim bible ote ezaba yenyano wadro Ibolaba yenyano wadro ave coronavirus namba no wakristo for dim bible abuonya gubanu masam na mudi asinja jenian tanya na musuzize ubafa mu webiara endiza janimia Mufami senya kupoma aferi mani diewa Uzura nyangu kupoma jane Jajanimia Mufami senya kupoma aferi mani diewa Aferi mani diewa yinya Jajanimia Mufami senya kupoma aferi mani diewa yinya Jajanimia Aferi mani diewa can want it. A man in a Aradia can want taking the woman, yes, and you know, so you're not going to Musono. Samojan and Imunamda said, Ave coronavirus number no accuse of what in Bible. What's it? Ezaba yenu wadro. Ibolaba yenu wadro. Ave coronavirus number no accuse of what in Bible. Abu wana kupanu masam na mudi ya sinja jenya na muna musuzize. Ubefa muwe biara. Endiza janimia. Mufami senya kupoma aferi mani diye wa uzura nya kupoma jana janimia mufami senya kupoma aferi mani diye wa yinya janimia mufami senya kupoma aferi mani diye wa yinya janimia
Okay, 45 minutes past 7 live on Nhyira 104.5 FM and there National Day of Prayer. Iguswa ye bompire ye twen rade anim. Iguswa nso ayema education what earlier ye ne Opokumensa Regional National Service Director Kasai yene Bishop Andam Edin Komo wachire yen kwan ebefa so and ye be part of the national prayer na fe ubakọ Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM be part of the discussion of course. And there we have in the studio the two big doctors, not ordinary doctors but doctors indeed, doctors akesia pa your Dr. Augustina Servaken a lecturer Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology, and of course on one so a virologist or a work Kumasi Center for the KCCR Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research KNUST. Yes, omona a kandoguchi huan these are the only two centers in Ghana our mutimi yehwemu se coronavirus no ebi homogeneim anase ebi eni homogemu. And then we privileged to have this big individuals our doctor and a squaku on one so a medical practitioner our konfanoche and penifo meaning and anyone bidding como and son and we bid but and there no politics, it's all about education, an intensive one and you beat me ma menko Dr. Augustina honami misani sem last week na ye tetese munye much resource as a niema edos one here a bejinsemu and none of pay ubedi na bit makache mo center
wo station is na minchia wetiefu ene omo hwe ye nyina enokre I mean several times and ayaka say resources na ye wono esha yegusu twen enim say ye benya backup and I say benya more resources
enyamai
embedu ye
that is serious
embedu ye
that is serious wow. And is there indications say beba yes positive indication say beba of course and just say na ye wono asa because we are still testing. I mean 24/7 24 hours ye gusu ye test samples nipa test do say no maye no Kumasi
test aye nyina ye wi aye de call a Ministry of Health into wo call mo website ne so you'll be able to know the numbers na ya test near positive.
I'm talking about Ashanti region
ni nyina
okay the Ministry of Health side na categorized by Noguchi and that one
bibia
okay really quickly let's get that bit now Ministry of Health. Papa Momo Aminafi and to our discussion. So, but is it overwhelming? Is it getting to a point and answer saying?
No, yendu of course for yen because answer samples no bedu ye and our cases no bedu ye facility no na ebia suspected patients no omwako various health facilities ma emia omwaye initial screening omwe say ebia they fit into the case definition answer aba inti ebia numbers no be high ewo health facilities hospitals no but omo be refer omo and before mo samples about your facility no and na you be testy.
Sir, the highest of the number would depend on say nipa nanya be or not, and I say the health centers no so mo dey no just would determine mo na mo be confirm say scientifically say nipa nanya be or not.
Yes, of course. Yeah, na be confirm it through laboratory high throughput laboratory testing and I said diagnostics and I bet me aka say yes or no. Yes, just say nipa no positive or a COVID-19 nibi ana or SARS coronavirus 2 nibi and I saw ye negative only yare nibi.
I see. What is the difference between that COVID-19 and SARS coronavirus 2? Difference near there?
SARS coronavirus 2 no yeah the name of the virus.
Oh, okay.
Who say initially it was an epidemic and then it became a pandemic.
Okay.
It started as an epidemic. No, it emerged China, Hubei province, the city of Wuhan. Initially no, it was called Wuhan virus.
Okay.
And I'm sure the WHO learned from the experiences of MERS coronavirus. Now your friend Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus. As soon as you mention the name Middle East, then that affiliation to the Middle East region, and it can also even promote some level of stigmatization.
Okay.
The name stigmatization send you back and still when encophobia say a Chinese virus
Trump
and I think
say it is coming from China.
Oh, okay. And
Trump they all say China.
And it sparks a certain level of you become so uncomfortable when it is attached to a certain country or a certain region. And see, I'm sure they learned from that or those experiences. So after it was called Wuhan coronavirus, then it became novel coronavirus because it was new. And I say it is still new. We are still learning about it. Then there's a body omu name organisms. There's a unique body omu name viruses. It's a from international community or committee for taxonomy of viruses. So obin new viruses they send it to that particular committee, a committee of experts, renowned high throughput experts. Then they will come up with a name. But this particular virus, in terms of similarity with the SARS coronavirus, 80%, 80 to 85%. It just but so they decided to name it SARS coronavirus -2.
Okay.
There was a first SARS coronavirus. And now we have a SARS coronavirus 2. This is sort of the historical background pertaining to the naming of them.
I see.
But me sure said WHO na say within the scientific community, people can refer to it as SARS coronavirus 2. But everyday people know so why don't we just name it COVID-19?
Abusafo ne Dr. Augustina na edin komo na enhwehwehwemu a kire se yare no yehu bi ewu bi moja mu ana sesen na yetimi no anyway Dr. Mayenhwu ade no mu na mote na mu hu beyond the air titin radio so beyond the announcement on be kire eyi hu ana
me pese me ka say wo ka say ade ni yehu a na say wo di
yehu
ai eyehu enti say yes so ye reinforce ye measures na ye put in place no because eyehu na eyehu no so na as ye resources no so ye depleted enti resources no so sakra ene ebeye huhu pa
unim obi the message abreme so obi say ye boyre emeye o mo yiri jejina so dwendwendwendwen ntimi fa ha omro
so
go be the advice Kofi please talk about our fingernails cutting
so wakati wo nails ana say wakoye acrylic ana bibia na we keep no neat who say inti na de bia ye stress on the hand washing no thorough and several hand washes and na wo hohoro wonsa so a ese wo di seminar any nsuo a eye clean wo hohoro wonsa ne wi a wonsa na wa hohoro no enya no na wo di be close tap no nti wo de wo hohoro wonsa mansuo ningu na what tissue paper no now they are to a pipe knitting so now they are close me sure say omo your nails e man no I'm sure they are keeping themselves their nails very clean intina ya kire say wonsa no hohoro there's a particular way say hohoro wonsa enya say wo de wonsa share pipe na se na just say wo ye na wa sorry ko
okay doctor would mutre mutie ne the masses me ma me no me wodwam yenu anu me wo mazi omo ewo alaba agbabo said omo faade na the seriousness no ho omo hu the seriousness of ade na ye no
I don't think so. In fact, I know more honum cry. Ye cry ye was so called cities ne cry. I wonder, say, ye appreciated the enormity of what is going on. And me who nipa me and sa no muti motorbike say I was like, hey, nankrofo omu hwesi na ne ade omu hu ne ekoso ana. Nankrofo still you find some people in groups gathered. Mate say ebimokrasi lo moko football pitch omo keep fit jama enkrofo shejama enti me nya sure say education no enanka me minim especially the rural environment na ekoso kra wo honom me hope say nka information service wonso omo wo van enka by now omo ninam nkrase no omo bo hu deru ye screens are ewo junctions ni say I don't know the sort of things they are projecting on the screens but enka by now ye show a lot of things on our screens so that people become aware and of course education to say yeti radio so enkrofo TV so ye kan ho asemi but ye kan ho asema say ye come down to the lowest level say obi bisam say na doctor mo say ye hohoro yensa adenti na ye hohoro yensa
okay
nti ye be che say ye be hohoro yensa because aboa no won ekwan ye obetumi afa oba wo ho a obewo wenum ana wo hwinim ana wo hwine ni wenum ni weni eye connected nti eba ne sa aboa no hye wenum a Ghana and say Africa for ye didi eya ye de ensa hye yenum ye yiyi eduane a eya na nkrofo de omu sa hye omu hwinim nti ye ka sese wo hohoro won sa ho wi a emfa won sa no kra emfa nkukọ wenim because aboa no wakọhye wenum owo wenum wiminim ana se wo hwinim wo de won sa hye wo hwinim ana wenum a wo wie ya so ebi a wo be fa wo phone ana se wo be kokochia obi na afei yare no anase aboa no wo spread it de bia me ka se aboa na nkasa de bia wo ho anka on spread you but nimpa ebe ede no be ko bebre ye be pie ye be ko bebi a nimpa bebre wo ene ade nti education is see asa na ye be ye no go to the very 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 lowest level.
I see. And the member for engage more na yenya omo so understanding questions bia omo omo person omo tiase we will be trying to ask the questions but there are the more people tia ye wa but we share the cases are eba manfo ka say dodo na na koye imported test ahodo ne de ekoso na are we getting the community spread no community
spread no say your core website in this one. so far you were bare 4 and I say 5 be. But contacts no and they say you're putting in a lot of aggressive measures. Now aggressive contact tracing.
Okay.
Aggressive now. We also expect people to volunteer and say that come out and say that me can be a wire positive and I say me can be a wire positive name must start to say me show the signs and symptoms of COVID-19 into community spread ne dey a started but yen share down a lot of positives from the community spread. Say Endra omo yesi almost see free play no more yedi omo call hotels no enunti na ma numbers no e shoot up no nti say we need to go back into history or do some retrospective tracking omo abenyina. Can we trace all of them? Omo na yento your borders and me assure say that data should be readily available because who to coin our bar airport who fail immigration form na sa form ne so no wudini wu phone number so I think we can use various methods to get to those people. For example, we can decide to give their phone numbers, of course bearing in mind that now there's something known as data protection issues. So we can give their phone numbers through the immigration services to the telcos and they can easily trace where they are. And then track them aggressively. Into me sure say yes sir. Ebetumi abua.
I can say now have two big, not just one big, two big doctors. Long time doctor, no see you.
Kofi.
Doctor Neskako. Sometimes it is a
me I do me at least me show signs and symptoms. I did buy nipa any action.
Sure.
Na
movie the munya daje.
Stress ya hwe na nyame so boy ho bai.
Yeah. Doctor, my main taking the angle from more hospitals. My mama the omono akoye lab omo na ewo mu.
Omo so na hu say pa o.
Because they are very
serious. We dey minimi say o mama kwaba mama menka. Say omo hu hia pa.
Sure.
Indeed, asema me beka enye den so meka.
Okay.
Amen nyina hu say Samre woman, woman here pa health scientists like ono and health care providers like me, doctors, nurses, laboratory technicians, pharmacists.
Sure.
In this time, we have worshipped politicians for a long time. So we shouldn't worship them. We should respect them for how kwa amofa so hwe no yemfa ni die no oboma.
Na sabredi
ba ma yensu om te senyame.
Na sabredi e momre.
Nyamenji obeboa ema yebeboa ne ma
yetimi akọ javo Absa Bank eno ano eye Barclays eguso ayede digital bank na ebrel sabre susu se obekokọ banking hall ne ade omo mobile money wo phone so bitima ye withdraw every account so atua o bill aye bibia enti bomode na yusu Absa na wetimi nso akọ ni with my deposit ne niam nyina eguso akam say MTN a flexible bundle just that star 138 hash. Enjoy bundles that don't expire. Opportunity bebre any wo edma wo. Star Assurance eguswa kai was a brem wishan life insurance policy ebeboa amabrabo no timi akonanim. Tebomodian na get your own life insurance policy that is 030-273-9600. Doctor Enesquako. Doctor, man for my ASK kakra from Confanoche nurses Amoho, the last person I saw free contact her at the end of the day more taking normal want to believe that if you are say nani panel a tested positive. How careful any yenye say on my doctors nurses because you didn't you couldn't moko mufre adwuma a musa de bafie yen mu ba kan hu ofie yen so ye de pie enti more or less the cycle no started from everywhere.
Yo ini akofi me da se
Okay.
Ano pay me ba ha aja producer Bernard o ma me December na me chia tie for no na me ebo omo ahwe apomudin so ewo amansen nyina mu titru ye ma Ghana me bo ma baso efise okono anya ko a iswa na me chia won na enenso ya say ye mompaye na enya konchen no Kofi media me kamedie ejuma da manim no nti metumi I have day there ayo dry it must start yo no pain so okay ansana Bernard kura benya ne me no na ma bompaye danyame ase enye izio nti asofo eni wo mu nyina mo boae no so ye chia ho don ase mete se na woni me ame papa Bishop Nyanko Andam kasa very Reverend Kofi Annan and I'm so for Reverend Professor John Opoku Api Opoku so mechiano na me mamu nso amu isam chirofo ade ba ma kire se Ghana modoyen na mobabo modia aboa obia na motiase ene ekondo no atiase na me wa no pay asebi ma men kasa ma konfanochi if he say me ni hu kwan ese me ka asemo esi wo ho na mo me ba ha ne ye adi start ye ene me tu hu ji mo ma start from me adapt so can dem me say me public interest me say adapt no me say dino if e shase e wo mo multimedia station e ba be edi kan me kasa e wo mo station na me kan bibi potokasem me kan wi an makano ye Ghana kasa de sekronkron me kan say yari abe so wo hwe abakosemo a na wo hwe ne asi wo China na asi wo Italy ni America and United Kingdom as I say Ghana for you take what we call clear incremental and adaptive actions in order to fight the COVID-19 inti aho na me say me campaign na me no say ye hwe say yasetena mu a na ye hwe apomudin batanko e friend World Health Organization WHO no nchirechira odi ama ne guidelines na say yesesa ya setna wo Ghana mu kakra ne friend adaptation na say ebe say yehwe ne di kan Ghana yempe nsa hohoro ye penchia inti hand hygiene no na say yesesa mu kakra can you imagine say ekwaye ne nchia the adaptation ni bi no me say me kwaye me say as say me Japanese inti adaptation ni bi no ana say obesisa nneomum se ne ya yare no umfa ma obi ana umfa onso ngibi mfi obi ho inti na me nkyerɛkyerɛ nyina saa na akoye me ka organizer for asem ewo another station so na course ni feedback e ba ne se ne adwen ko ho inti adapt ne say yesesa nneoma se ne ya yebetimi atena se ne yetena se Ghana for batenya yare no inti me nsisu bio clear incremental and adaptive change. Incremental and they say air con and nima nioma air cot sono na edibi ka ho ene minia ba fefe waka say nioma amodi adwuma no endu ni mpompon so mo hia and so da bia say edibi ka ho incremental ne bi no aha enti now e ba say ye cough and sneeze etiquette say ye nwansi ne ebowa no eno nso esese ye hwe ne ye Kofi Wu me ba studio ha enka bi kura mpo a o ga speaking to the mic hu be bia metie if say me wo bia me ka say e bia e bi begu form ye so Mr adapt ne bia ne ne enti ne ben say
mu wie ya nso spray so nyina
krampo spray no krampo de me ka say nka mu nyi form no na mo fa foforo say bia mpa aduasa mo mpa cheap one ni bi krampo na obi ka say wi anmo yi na ma disinfect no no me my recommendation mo ndwe ho we ye efepa ana bia expensive ento cheap one ni bi mfa nhye ho na wi a na obi a hye bibia kata ne nsa ho no yi na another person ba no yi enti adaptation bia no nkakra maka se bia ntesio ni ade begu ha ewi apepa ha me phone da so ono nso ni book da so now ensachia na enchia no ye nenso enoma bi o ha brofocus and friend they are proxies to handshake eno me ka ho asem kakra before ya me dia to ebia ye ko breaker na ebibia ko fi me si hwe sa video yi no agi ogi ya machi ya no even though me sanchi ya wonsayem car keys a proxy to handshake door keys safwa ai di bi dan ena safwa dan no ne nsa na yeso mu bi no ni nyina maybe Bernard ne bi me good kane ne eba ha na nka yese obi swipe ansa ne ade e biebie dana to mo yade pa ebi se na nipa pii nso so enti ye hu se even though ye nchiachia ye ho no the nyuma bi wo ha ema eye nchia wo phone wo safwa o mo esamchofo mo microphone mo cameras any a recording device am this adano ya nana ya juma no ba ho o ya na enye yi na we nso abeso na me say mo pepa ho ansa na prince apia so mo pepa ho ansa enti handshake enti ade bia ebema obi a transfer bibia ma ode a hye won sem no ye hwe say pepa ho me phone man pepa ho in a day 3 times enti ye hwe sa nyoma nyina na adapt na social distancing say ye ntie ho emfi ye ho no enu hia pa if you say na eminu abai kan yare no yegusu yesu ho ade omfre no novel coronavirus watch man check mu pa good covid-19 na ubie mu nyina se ne ozika na se ka se ne meneo atimemfo yebetimi akabi covid-19 ye coronavirus disease 2019 coronavirus disease 2019 near China said COVID-19 if you say amanse nyina China for Emma amanse ba ten WHO ete say sayare aba 30th December 2019 into coronavirus disease 2019 okay enti social distancing no ayade ehia pa if you say yesu ahu ade no afa ni ehu mo ba ni enim ni say obo wa na unwansi ana o kasaden na sabi memfa ne say ntasu ana ade afiu mu no eno na ebetimi afem nti obi gina ben wa ebetimi akono ho ebetimi afa ne hwenim obi enanum ebefa ho ebetimi akowani nti na esi yente ye ho ebi say na o can say enra education minister can say if we don't move the virus doesn't move enti na uka Hong Kong experience woni sociology nipa no kan say me pe ni o kan ne pa say ye move a virus ni move enti restriction ana say ye si say o nanti ana say utu anamo akọ baabi no say ye ka say na enya enya de patenda be boy me ka say no na me de ka say asem so say me ni so umre esuanti discussion no me de ka say anopen so me ba ha me say adapt ni de nickname am de amakeke na yewo Metropolitan Health Committee okay me a member e ka ho okay na Kumasi Metropolis penny odi animo wa mama privilege say menye liaison officer emano nti me ba ha sa eno so ka ho na mechia honorable osesibe antwi you see time ayedui mini aba tena me kan say many any health scientists am we have vaccine on here drone ho pani yare no ho pani na ahwe ho drone ade ne nyina omuti esi wodwuma ma mo ye enti ni akwansa wo hwe a aman nyina no yes amo na ye ma mo afutuo no mo de ye adwuma na papa no wa kire se papa osese benchi wa kire se sese no otie ye afutuo pa no anya say bia me bonus amrane who say politicians sabi ase yenso otie futu na nani abre pa yare ho na ye ni sa ye nyina ye ni sa ebeboa efi se ihia ye ho na ohwe omo a yare omatumi aso ano enyina China edikan South Korea Singapore Hong Kong Japan ohwe a ade ba ko pe no mo ye
okay
ya many pa nanti enhihia kum some form of movement restriction and a lockdown I want to make on look yemfa Italy mfanye nto ho ye committee enra yishia no we dey swear an oath of secrecy but for public education ti meti hu kakra media to committee nanim say yenwe ho say Ghana yen lock it down but lockdown on say bia fi ho a na ya lock it down yenye no kakra enti graduated lockdown and ya proposal nipa be braka bi but yenso ye be ka bi graduated lockdown no media name feel say ni kind say yen start in fi Accra and a greater Accra region any Ashanti region so uhwe sene yare no kwana aha ne epicenters aha na yare no bitime ebu nkama fire so
yen social settings and system abebo for lockdown
uye wadwuma kofi uye wadwuma but me pese me twa adwin sisu se be bia omatimi aso yare anu bia sa no moye
but they have a system
listen me ma me kire ma die bi wo se chinchin so ne so chinchin kojo ni na ape na me ntia se na o kire me se kwa hu hiam sese se ni ada achi no abeso gu ano te se wo ene anwa sese no se amomodin ankwa hu hiam kakra ebedu ba bi no gi ayarefo nko egu ho obi a o hypertension na diabetes kwa ndimi magie draw ho I just a private pharmacist no mokoje because you be go sa so when you see Italy Italy did agro to say yeah hweni ya be did agro ye be dia abaya ya de pa enuma odia gu kwam no bebreye na minim say sebia o ka say social structure
between lockdown mame
graduated lockdown
graduated lockdown anything
ni edi kan say enye o man ni nyina na ye betum say mo bia nko ba bia yemfi enkran mantem any kumase Asante mantem enti ye no ye baako
yanko ba bia sese
ye
cheche
Ghana nyina ye nka say
Ghana these two cities my yanko ba bia yamfa say kumase me yanko ba bia
enti
open so chere say
graduated lockdown say ni bedi kan no transport for
okay
fortunately Metropolitan Health Committee ni penny ye no ma hihia no ma ye nkyerechire aye plans be nyani nyina na metimi dia atodwa nanso ye boaboa ye ho enti ye ba se ye see transport bia move Accra ni Kumasi a part of the partial lockdown I started enti ye be curtail movement straight away na afi ya ba market no so hwe a ebibremu ha Cyril Ramaphosa mampeni of South Africa ono so a declare lockdown and I say mobia enko bia 21 days and 3 weeks nanso okano enen nansan nanso enfiase eye ochina ya wada nyame ya adoma ene be fiase nti waye sa no wa mamamfo ehu se eba beba nti yemu aboa ye ho nti na anko yeputupra eno ye part of the graduate you know nti yebe ya yenye ne nkakra ne mamamfo nte se ebetimi aba na ne omo ya South Africa eti esua bibi ne se omo a ebeto ade ede akotu fie kakra no omo anye se my friend panic buying bro ni friend panic ti esa ene na crowd
na 3 days here there will be panic buying
no
Ghana say ka say even Monday kra
yes
yare ba ye we can learn for doctor so we share a hand sanitizer 2 cedis na ne turn 200 Ghana cedis you think say temperature Ghana say first na mo turn 150 200 and about 1400
enti kofi ntina
Ghana we don't have a control
ntina say if over 1.5 years me maha but the ma baha if you say muhu hia say mo baboa na ye di sansemi ya bremanfo asma wo kan ne no cross one no nanso obi de o feel say sabre ye be pon program ya say a day of fasting and prayer ya me won paye bi ma me mbo me mo ne say paye aba me de ekokọ na me de be and na meka omo di Ghana nya say ye pese ye so yare no me bom paye gu om so na sankofo no omo ton sanitizer omo di ye atwa me ne no nyame nkoma kom
for more than a man closer to man
but nyame pese me ye ne say kofie ya nkwa hwehie mu a enyi Italy ye mamen kasem bio me nua bae wa ha Italy for mo de efi ase no ye obi bi e friend epidemiological week enye se lunar calendar te se bosome calendar no bi enti yare ni fi ase no ye hwe be bi efi week ka edikan na otwe edikan ye mfa Ghana ne Italy na Italy omo 2 cases yenso Ghana ne 2 cases eba week 2 Ghana de ne ko 6 Italy no more 2 eba we echo week 3 Ghana ne echo 19 cases na Italy afi ne echo 6 cases esa nso omo tra ho ya hwan omo unlock it down na omo need beach to say ya omo chiachi omo so omo kisi na nipa ba ko wetimi akese be say ne body be say 5 times na omo ko bar ne restaurant omo panije ni ade eno ka ho na dey try inti time ana omo be lockdown na some kase mu bi anko ba bia no na ye late na ohwe omo numbers omo dey start na ye de ye de tutu ho a ye de doso afi na community spread na start and as eko ankranko ho ewo ye baby yete omo a efiama no ne ba ende ene ye friend vertical transmission and as imported cases se ne menu ba kan eno a aha ene ohani the otwinum 185 am test emu 25 14% na test positive ke ija omu nyina no mbegu ma for instance enti part of the graduated lockdown no oma quarantine on ye airport ne ade ya fe umma onko ya tese nkofo smog nkofo okada so de omoba immigration for no world aha enti ni nyina ya part of the gradual lockdown and I say graduated lockdown now kuma Ashanti region Accra ye kase transport men ko up and down na fe yaba market na obi say social structure between us kofi ahunhehi abeba one of the things I started can say any form of videos on can lab fm I started minimizing chance mo de donation number bi atudwa samanfo ebinu ho for instance ahunhehi abeba to the such understand say baby on bi di kra be den yemfa ne say we de jimanu esiye manu system na meka yenuanum kaya yofo se omu move a omu nante a no munye sika didie nti wusimu omu move a ebe yeden na minim se yempanifobia afiase adwen ho se eba saa enu se Kumasi metropolis penny wa start adwen ho dinkita ho se ne ya nkofosa na ebe da mo be eno ye social mitigation and say on friend social protection after all say o ministry wa ha yes nti budget na ya draw ato ho no out of the
100 million
say social protection ministry omo die bi wo ha yem fan and protect omo kakra no
okay
eno ebe ma we no market median kamek soldiers say ye fumigate mpo wi a ye ma omo nyina ama
okay
gemo mranka krankakra ye ehia pa essential say ye nya bia ebewu no a yentimi trance no and the emra but ni say ye ka say graduated lockdown so I mean so for Greater Accra ne Kumasi no may propose 2 weeks in line with the normal incubation period sabu wan ba mu a time obetimi die enyinia no wawo no ama yare no da pen mienu na otwemi no ntie no yenim se ebi wo ho a edi da pen miensa 21 days and 3 weeks even up to 27 days omutimi shows omom no so nti wo de yemfa normal distribution na 14 days na enye na within that time no se fane se menu aba wa anye niti a onwu nti bia ejom ho omo aye hairdresser na ade no na aye business is best offer but until na say more stimulus package.
Okay,
na ye nkaka
I wish Ghana we can provide stimulus package anyway.
We have to coffee
we have to Kuro Yi Mu Nsem Jumedi is sponsored by Save Your Liver Foundation, Hepatitis B yare na edokrowa timi aboa o liver no ayemra liver 07 capsules ebeboa boost immune system no na Prostac 1 and also ebe hwe prostate number 02025437554 locate us at Roman Hill opposite Solid FM adeka last day anymore on sabe can be our Fred Demens Keo Smart Eba Boase Bandi Chemis Adum Lancer Chemis but your cream is a Nescafe start strong finish strong cream is something Absa Bank and so crying and the day ebrewo ba Heba Center say any more modern medical equipment I diagnose all your CNBA African Business Excellence Awards 2019 Ba Center and the best bone doctor for 2019 I don't know Edan Chenya omo ewo eye nhihye bebre na omo hwe in the midst of corona area urban omo employ international all the international best practices ewo mo premises oba ye behwe na watimi ayebo guaranteed ewo apomudin emu nhihye bebre ewo hodema na emum se dompemu yare de spinal cord arthritis, swelling of knees, dislocation of arms ni nyina ombehwe de amam adwemu na ka hepatitis B, sexual weakness, stomach ulcer ni nyina so yade a ombehwe e de amawo sabi krubine to ombetumi atiesie ne akama omo ma ne mema ward oba na bibi ntimi nkofia betimi nso ada kumasa to so agogo government hospital na chi 1 0244083482 na yetimi nso abo DSTV eguso a ema content ankola ewu fi ombetimi ahwe bi momodin na channels bit say mindset channel 319 for 13 years and above sanso na the Vinci channel 318 and also for 6 to 12 years old PBS channel 313 from Kwalani na 2 to 11 omunyina betuma hwebi nti omo CNN BBC Sky TV ni yakeka ho nyina ebeboa movies aworo so a betumi enjoy anopay self service alternative payment options I betumi aboa wire connected dare SMS *1731 now the auto DSTV zipper for 199 www.dstv.africa.com and I'll be transferred 0302-740-540 now what you mean so ako wenim and I'll pay freshman and lady capsules here recommend ama male vitality uninterrupted urinary flow sounds na fresh lady capsules no say that is serious. That is serious. Wow. And is there indications, Beba?
Yes. Positive indication say Beba. Of course, and just say I no asa because we are still testing. I mean, 24/7, 24 hours. You go so test samples.
Nipa test do say no my no kumase
test aye nyina ye wi aye de call a Ministry of Health into wo call mo website ne so a you be able to know the numbers na ya test near positive.
I'm talking about Ashanti region
ni nyina ewo
the Ministry of Health site na categorized by Nuguchi and that one
bibia
really quickly let's get that bit now. Ministry of Health Papa Momo Minafi and to our discussion so but is it overwhelming? Is it getting to a point Dawson and answer saying
no, you do of course for because answer samples no be do and our cases no be do facility no na ebia suspected patients no omako various health facilities ma emia omoye initial screening omoe say ebia they fit into the case definition answer aba inti ebia numbers no be high ewo health facilities hospitals no but omo be refer omo anasa form samples about your facility no eno na ye be testi
sir the highest of the number would depend on say nipa na nya bi or not, and I say the health centers no so mo dey no just would determine mo na mo be confirm say scientifically say nipa na nya bi or not.
Yes, of course. Yeah, na be confirm it through laboratory, high throughput laboratory.
Machreche ye oro yensa ni bibiara ni nyina. In all these precautionary measures ya fa nyina. Is it the case say na ya request it me transfer mem ni sa na me nyina. Mefoka. Ebinum class started the nose mask, share gloves no mhihyo onsa. What do we do as we walk in the street beyond washing and not touching? Yenye dey.
No,
I know.
So that is how Kama media my friend no social distancing, my friend no contact distancing. Enti se wo twi hu every nipa bebre hu se ayaka say at least 2 meters and I say 6 feet. Enti wo betumi de wonai yeshe TV so a baby to say Italy at a point no more ye uko shops na no payment we radio say some of the shops they want to do that into umbe limit the number of people are ebi umbewura shop nimu.
Okay.
Ena se wankasa so unem kroma ese o hand sanitizer no de bi e ka ho ansa wo be fro trotro no ana bus no ana Uber ana taxi no na wodi bia ye wonsa ho ya kire se ne wodi ade no wodi sanitizer no ebe ye wonsa ho wotina ka ni mu a san fa bia wonsa ho.
Okay.
Wodi usika ma trotro mate ana se bus conductor na misrewa fa bia wonsa ne ho ode wonsisa ma wa ana o ma wo change a misrew fa bia wonsa inti ni ameche ni se almost every now and then I say we make sure say would be here on sound because studies show say emwano virus no to me stay on some surfaces omwa plastic surfaces omwa copper surfaces omwa some other metals omwa we say abone to meet na surfaces for some few minutes to some days. Some days. We don't know the number of days. Of course, now for kase o abwane kreba Africa ena meria shininti ebe shi abwano esohwe wohwe Egypt. Now they are skyrocketing. They have skyrocketing numbers. Wohwe Algeria. Wohwe ya kraye memu ha. Inti every now and then ubetumi enye bi inti sa education na ye de ama hohoro wonsa wo kofia anase wo hwinzi ana wo sinizia fa tissue paper ekata wano anase wo bekwa wonsa in your flexed arm in a flexed arm wo kwa wonsa now meka bibi say you catch your cold now watch you cough anase wo cold no wo say wo need tissue a wo de wonsa crachi a wo wie ya ese okọ wonsa because wonsa no surface won pese aboa no obetena wonsa ne ho kra because etena wonsa ho a ebe dry na yeso ye de yensa kokoye nim ena se nya mekae no aboa no ho obewo wenum ene wo minim nti wo de wonsa ka wenum wania anase wenim no wo face na ebetumi asan aba wonsa wo wie ya obekọ ekochia anase obefa wo phone emiemia so se nya doc kan no wo de phone be chiro bi so hwade e wo mi phone so ono so besom then we end up spreading the virus in the virus ne de ono otini baby o onka say be your person spread it but nimpa ena yebe end up ya spread the virus adding. But I always say that these are difficult times. As for difficult times, we don't do ordinary things. We go an extra mile. We do uncomfortable things. I mean, imagine say every now and then, and I say imagine say every now and then, with the hand sanitizer. Obikra sebi obikra onya sikana or the better sanitizer nibi. Inti we the imagine wahuma so asre omo toto sanitizers mu. Na say ya meti say a baby kra wo ha 50 pesos. Why are we doing this to ourselves? We are in the month of March and we claim that as for Ghanaians we are super patriotic. It's me sure said this is the best time. Sesi also de ye bay Easter into ye dear who ye bompa ye sre boniface a Roman for your friend no Lent anka brewe ne say ye adoye na se wa wuton insu ana semina obi de be horhoro ne nsa 50 pesos menya sure say de papa.
Okay. For the questions are bringing through our voice note line 0244320564. BB Wadrian Peso Bisa Dr. C. You beat him so abwa. May you go through these symptoms again? Dear Nami who said me ye biari ni biana na menye den. Doctor, kwako.
You
in very brief, maybe 2 minutes for this.
May quick. Sebi ya no I to say kanene friend code ana kata nti ebi ana obowa na onwansi na onwayehye no etimi yehye pa na ye the temperature gun na me ba mo de bi ye me na ebi 38 degrees centigrade ana se ne yeso sense America for DM 100 degrees Fahrenheit na e broson sa na a case definition ya sane kakra me ka Ghana de na ya sane kakra if say no ene nansa president kasa ye no ene nyoma bi a kan ti bi ebesa na watu kwan akwamano ne awo ba bi ayare ne wo ana se woni obi a watu kwan aba nansen ya ba bi a ofi bai no amano ne ho yare ne wo ho na woni na adi nhie mu saa nyoma ene ma ya ka ho se ebia na wonya yare ne bi na unim se Korea ne Singapore ne ade no omo ye random testing mass testing emi nua be ka no se enuma ye de test no ensa idea na nso bedu ba bi no na wanhwe a na case na doso nti ebe se ebe hia mo na Ghana ha esan se yeni bebre nti ye de case definition ye ma kirekire ene ye de test ebi ananke tesi ane ehu se mo ho enti obi ho krampo na owo yare ni bi nenso onwansi omowa ne kokonye ne ya ne ho nyehye
nti zia kokoyare nyanti you kokwaso ka ho
ese ma oti bibi ti se pneumonia aboa no ko mu a okọ ahrawo mu ho ne baby a odi na agro pa enti na bon se afi na wontimi ohumi ensiso enti na me ka no sa no ebi a ne maka nyina na wonni bi enso na virus ni bi firi for carrier enti esese ahweye ne ye kofi sese unsa me bae ma feel so ndimi kra ma
kofi enti doctor yare no hwe the rate at which e bi e ka nipa na doso but nipa do a ewu no nsusa. What is the indication?
Normally nka wo hwe viruses a ana mo ma yare from virus na ne dikan omo hadwene if you say omo chinsa omo ho a friend mutation to na dro nya de nti bebre wo wi ase yeni ho adro na ne na yeti ye ne se bebre no nso ma yare a eku nti no a ho na ko se kane unya kata na ko da
memia na de kremu ye boye wada ye mu ye ya be wa kosisi akakaduro na wa we na de nchina ka ho na bia wo bo wada da ko bitimi chew
we kurase ne tita we kurase ne tita me
kremu ye boye wada da o ya we akakaduro na wa we kakra na je ho a na
enti se ye hia China titru any other countries are omanye bi no China titru because honey main epicenter say Italy age afa but enuma amode abekire a yen yade sua me friend data no so wo hwe a na che say nipa oha enye bia emu be se enan ena behwero mo kwa ye kan wi ase ni nyina abomu a wo hwe Ghana kra e rate ne tesa say so far cases ayenya and time enya 21 cases na nipa ba ko na ewu no na about 4%. Nti na just say na nti ye yi hamu chemu 9 eno mo bewu so far omo so ebewu no usually ya na owoyare dada bi wo ho ti se ebia me fa ne se me fa wenye example wa bejo to ama na hrawo mu nyina yes sentie kana hona miss aboa no so odi na gropa ntina bia na oko ana se bia wakomayare sometimes attack akoma ema maybe a friend pericarditis ya this one dey enchirichiri mu ntiem aha ana se wo fan se juice sa yare kidneys no juice sa yare aha ana se wo hypertension akomayare bibi sa no ane e kanwa wanhwe a na di wakofom entem na ebi nso wo ho a ye hu se the more a wunyine no wunyine ko wani mu a na someha eja kofi na honam no yemra nti omo a etai ekum omo anyini kakra se hwe data omo de amaya na se omo di mfie duoson ko aha na nkwara de ya na yetiye omo afi no omo nyini actively nti enye saba se wakwara na di less than 1 year so e bia na ha no kakra nti enya yem hihie sa makofi woni social scientist sociologist no kasa no o kan sem bi ma manage omo se positive reinforcing messages no ebia hu behia me public health my public me public health physician you train here say yen give hope we should be measured in our but Kofi Saturday I'm ko hu bibi me am see you be a friend mystery client obesha da ko ba bi no akohwe se na esi ko ban to my market me ma me bia wo ton ade wo ho we kwa de on tontos ena nani abri na manfo to ne tos na se sayare na kan de enye no kro om di hunu mai na me say hwe can you imagine your doctor was your doctor ya dada no we Kofi ye kwa na say was ya dada o doctor say e bia Ghana for ne pese ye hu ni say amanfo wu ansa ne adia tum say ye hu no so ye obi an mo ano ne etwa video ne de akire wo WhatsApp ne ade na bebia e mani abre adan Kofi ntie bia ehunu akakra be if he says ye twa Italy betoya asembeba me de men sense so bio say enne ade bako titru enso a me pese me kan say politicians no muntie yen technical people no na muntie advice and let's begin to gradually lock down and no na be boan if he say omo amaman a mo sika sen yen omo wo apomudin ho hyehyɛ sen yen omo na agufom. Okay. This is almost ready. Okay. Now, Kofi. Okay. We're going to be here and sports ma yeah ba 10 yeah ba bompire at 12 o'clock until we have enough time for Dr. Kwakon and my sweet mother Dr. Augustina. For ubetimi akọ yen voice note panel no so na do comment aba. Very brief question bi a person will be say bia fabreme na mebo my doctors na boy 0244320564 but answer no medame ho abasisia na yasan betwa yen common so hi Nhyira 104.5 FM within the Aduanaba Kofi Asante
adwa yentem on wonim Sama ekosu kumase no yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia Kuro Yi Mu Nsem be we soldier force ye discipline no banga for na soldier force respect Kuro Yi Mu Nsem enough the nyansa krono no dey pop Ghana nyina Kuro Yi Mu Nsem you can engage in all the propaganda you want but if the fundamentals are weak the exchange rate will expose you Kuro Yi Mu Nsem Dr. Baumia what wa reviewing economics boost nyina amene edin so piso on the economy management obi anto John Mahama na umuno no ono ne time na city no etisa na inflation senior delegate for almost how many mark Kuro Yi Mu Nsem Ghana for say na abana absorb through NAPCO it's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4% that is hypocrisy Kuro Yi Mu Nsem and I'm sounding a warning to the MPP we're going to match them boot for boot abosoba na meja paye entisia mosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopa no num ene fa ekosi nonkron semaduana ba pa ho aduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na Kuro Yi Mu Nsem I ask you to be citizens not spectators and now Your number one Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Abraham Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada anopebia ebono nsia pausima aduana Ekosi nonso ya to the Premier Sports sanso ene ewia yetnase biem anopa nonkono ebo pausima aduanan Ekosi ewia dumienu anoso ya to the Power Sports na fe no miensa Ekosi no 9 eno so ya to the playoff na ye de Memeda de no so e de asomo so don hwere miensa ena Memeda bia yetnase free anopa nonkono Ekosi ewia dumienu jumade ho chiame
nsam de nyina ne aboa no aye de eba e jumade de bright kan kambodu
kwabena obe afie OB twice
happen under Jose, this can't happen under Carlo, this can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also Bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football, I need a bigger interest, and I say, Bonnie,
Christian, I do say,
what is on the premise in Chelsea, just the boss question that is on Kobe. Yes,
I'm on an Nsem Ebana Andy Casillas,
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona,
and then a Najman. Pomodia said the Bia on Mrs. program way, now the global show. Number one Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio
and I said diagnostics and I bet me aka say yes or no yes say nipa no positive or a COVID-19 ni bi ana or SARS coronavirus 2 ni bi and also ye negative only yare ni bi.
I see. What is the difference between that COVID-19 and SARS coronavirus 2? Difference near there?
SARS coronavirus 2 no yeah the name of the virus.
Oh, okay.
Who say initially it was an epidemic and then it became a pandemic.
Okay.
It started as an epidemic. No, it emerged China, Hubei province, the city of Wuhan. Initially no, it was called Wuhan virus.
Okay.
And I'm sure the WHO learned from the experiences of MERS coronavirus. Now your friend Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus. As soon as you mention the name Middle East, then that's affiliation to the Middle East region. And it can also even promote some level of stigmatization.
Okay.
Meaning stigmatization. Still when encrophobia yomoka say a Chinese virus
Trump
and I think
say it is coming from China.
Oh, okay. And
Trump they all say China.
And it sparks a certain level of you become so uncomfortable when it is attached to a certain country or a certain region. And I'm sure they learned from that or those experiences. So after it was called Wuhan coronavirus, then it became novel coronavirus because it was new. And I say it is still new. We are still learning about it. Then there's a body omu name organisms. There's a unique body omu name viruses. It's a from international community or committee for taxonomy of viruses. So obin new viruses they send it to that particular committee, a committee of experts. Renowned high throughput experts. Then they will come up with a name. But this particular virus, in terms of similarity with the SARS coronaviruses, 80%, 80 to 85%. But so they decided to name it SARS coronavirus -2.
Okay.
There was a first SARS coronavirus, and now we have a SARS coronavirus 2. This is sort of the historical background pertaining to the naming of
I see.
But me as you said, WHO na say within the scientific community, people can refer to it as SARS coronavirus 2. But everyday people know. So why don't we just name it COVID-19?
Absafo ne Dr. Augustina na edin komo na enhwehwehwemu a ekire se yare no yehu bi ewu bi moja mu ana sesen na yetimi no anyway Dr. ma yenhwu ade no mu na mote na mu hu beyond the air titin radio so beyond the announcer tombe ekire eyi hu ana
me pese me ka say wo ka say ade ne yehu a na say wo di
yehu
ai eyehu enti say yeso ye reinforce ye measures na ye put in place no because eyehu na eyehu no so na as your resources no so depleted nti resources no so sakra ene ebeyehu pa
unim obi the message abreme so obi say ye boyre emeya omoyre jejina so dwendwendwendwere ntimi fa ha omro go be the advice please talk about our fingernails cutting
so wakati wo nails ana say wakoye acrylic ana bibia na we keeping neat o say inti na de bia ye stress on the hand washing no thorough and several hand washes and na wo hohoro won saso a say wo di seminar any nsuo a ye clean wo hohoro won sa ne wi a won sa na wa hohoro no enya no na wo di be close tap no inti wo de wo hohoro won sa mansuo ningu na wa tissue paper no now they are to a pipe knitting so now they are close me you sure say omo your nails e man I'm sure they are keeping themselves their nails very clean intina ya kire say wonsa no hohora there's a particular way say hohoro wonsa enya say wo de wonsa share pipe na sena na say wo ye na wa sorry
okay doctor would mutre mutie ne the masses me ma me no me wodwam yenu anu me wo mazi omo ewo alaba agbabo said omo faade na the seriousness no ho omo hu the seriousness of ade na ye no
I don't think so. In fact, I know more honum cry. Ye cry ye was so called cities ne cry. I wonder, say, ye appreciated the enormity of what is going on now. And me who nipa me and no motorbike bakoso motorbike. Just say I was like, hey, nankrofo omunhu CNN ne ade omunhu ne ekoso ana. And Crawford still you find some people in groups gathered. Mati say ebimokrasi lo mukọ football page omukobo keep fit and Crawford shejama enti me nya sure say education no enanka me minim especially the rural environment na ekoso kra wo honom me hope say nka information service unso omo wo van enka by now omo ninam nkrase na omo bo hu deru ye screens are ewo junctions ni say I don't know the sort of things they are projecting on the screens but enka by now ye show a lot of things on our screens so that people become aware and of course education to say yeti radio so and Crawford TV so ye kan ho asemi but ye kan ho asema say ye come down to the lowest level say obi bisam say na doctor mo say ye hohoro yensa adenti na ye hohoro yensa
okay
nti ye be che say ye be hohoro yensa because aboa no won ekwan ye obetumi afa oba wo ho a obewo wenum ana wo hwinim ana wo hwine ni wenum ni weni eye connected nti eba ne sa aboa no hye wenum a Ghana and say Africa for ye didi eya ye de ensa hihye yenum ye yiyi eduane a eya na nkrofo de omu nsa hihye omu hwinim nti ye ka sese wo hohoro wo nsa ho wi a emfa wo nsa no kra emfa nkukọ wenim because aboa no wakohye wenum owo wenum wiminim ana se wo hwinim wo de wo nsa hihye wo hwinim ana wenum a wo wie ya so ebi a wo befa wo phone ana se wo bekọ ekochia obi na afei yare no anase aboa no wo spread it de bia me ka se aboa na nkasa de bia wo ho anka on spread you but nimpa ebe ede no beko bebre ye be pie ye beko bebi a nimpa bebre wo ene ade nti education is see asa na ye be ye no we go to the very 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 lowest level.
I see. And the member material for engage more na yenya omo so understanding questions bia omo omo person omo tiase we will be trying to ask the questions but there are more people here ya wa but we share the cases are eba man for cancer dodo na na koye imported test ahodo ne de ekosunya na are we getting the community spread no
community spread no say your core website in this one. So far you were bare 4 and I say 5 be. But contacts no and they say you put in a lot of aggressive measures. Now aggressive contact tracing.
Okay.
Aggressive now. We also expect people to volunteer and say that come out and say that me can be a wire positive and I say me can be a wire positive nemom must start to say me show the signs and symptoms of COVID-19 into community spread ne dey a starting but yen share down a lot of positives from the community spread. Say Endra omo yesi almost see free plane moi yedi omo call hotels no enunti na ma numbers no e shoot up no enti say we need to go back into history or do some retrospective tracking omo abanyina. Can we trace all of them? Omo na yento your borders and me assure say that data should be readily available because who to coin our bar airport who fail immigration form na sa form ne so no wudini wo phone number so I think we can use various methods to get to those people. For example, we can decide to give their phone numbers, of course bearing in mind that now there's something known as data protection issues. So we can give their phone numbers through the immigration services to the telcos and they can easily trace where they are. And then track them aggressively. Into me, sure say yes, sir. A bit to me, abua.
Okay. I can say now have 2 big, not just one big, 2 big doctors. Long time doctor, no see you. Doctor Nescako. Doctor say.
Me do me tiasi. At least me show signs and symptoms. Ade ba nipa any aso.
Sure.
Na
movie de munya daje.
Stress ye ya hwe na nyame so boy ho ban.
Yeah. Doctor, my main taking the angle from Muambo hospitals. My mama de omono akoye lab omo na ewo mu.
Omo so no hu say ba o.
Because they are very serious.
We dey minimi say o mama kwaba mama menka say omo hu hia pa.
Sure.
Indeed, asema me beka enye dance meka.
Okay.
Sisi a amanyina hu say Samre woman, woman here pa health scientists like ono and health care providers like me, doctors, nurses, laboratory technicians, pharmacists.
Sure.
In this time, we have worshipped politicians for a long time. So we shouldn't worship them. We should respect them for how ekwan amofa so hwe no yemfa ni die ni oboma.
Na sabre die.
Mama yenso am te se nyame.
Na sabre die yemomre.
Nyamenchi obabua ema yebebua ne ma
yetimi akọ javo Absa Bank eno ano Barclays egusa ye digital bank na ebrel sabre susu se obekokọ banking hall ne ade omo mobile money wo phone so betima ye withdraw every account sum atua bill ayi bibia enti bomode na yusu Absa na wetimi so akọ ni with my deposit ne ne nyina egusa kam say MTN a flexible bundle just that star 138 hash. Enjoy bundles that don't expire. Opportunity be any award edma wo. Star Assurance eguswa kai was a brem wishan life insurance policy ebeboa amabra bonetimi akonanim. Tebomodian na get your own life insurance policy. That is 030-273-9600. Doctor and Esquako. Doctor, man for my ASK kakra from Konfanoche nurses Samoa Hall. The last person I saw free me contact her. Well, yeah, at the end of the day, more taking normal. Want to believe that if you are say any panel tested positive, how careful any yenye say on my doctors, nurses, because you didn't know you couldn't know more free a musa de befi yen mu ba kan hu fi yen so ye di pie enti more or less the cycle no started from everywhere.
Yo ini Kofi me da se
okay
ano pay me ba ha eja producer Bernard o ma me nente na semba na me chia tie fo no na me ebo omo ahwe apomudin so awo amansen nyina mu titru ye ma Ghana me bo ma baso efise okono anya ko a iswa na me chia won na enenso yese ye mompaye na enya konchen no Kofi media me kamedie ejuma da manim no nti etumi aye half day there ayo we dry it must start yo no penso okay ansana Bernard kura benya ne me no na ma bompaye danyame ase enyezio nti asofo eni wo mu nyina wo boaye no so ye chia ho don ase mete se na woni me ame papa Bishop Nyanko Andam kasa very Reverend Kofi Annan and I'm so for Reverend Professor John Opoku Api Opoku so mechiano na me mamu nso amu nsem trofo ade ba ma kire se Ghana modoen na mobabo modia aboa obia na motiase ene ekonoso no atiase na me wa no pay asebi ma men kasa ma konfanochi if he say me ni hu kwan ese me ka asemo esi wo ho na mo me ba ha ne omo ye adi start ye ene me tu me hu ji me ma start from me say adapt so can in the money me say me public interest me say adapt no me say dino if e chance ya wo mo multimedia station e ba be edi kan me kasa e wo mo station na me kan bibi potokasem me kan wi an makano ye Ghana kasa de sekronkron me kan say ya be so hwe abakosem a na hwe ne asi wo China na asi wo Italy ni America and United Kingdom as I say Ghana for they take what we call clear incremental and adaptive actions in order to fight the COVID-19 enti aho na me say me campaign na me no say ye hwe say yasetena mu a na ye hwe apomudin batanko e friend World Health Organization WHO no nchirechira awde ama ne guidelines na say yesesa ya setna wo Ghana mu kakra na friend adaptation na say ebe say ye hwe ne di kan Ghana ye mpe nsa hohoro ye penchia nti hand hygiene no na say yesesa mu kakra can you imagine say ekwaye ne nchia the adaptation ni bi no me say me kwaye me say as say me Japanese enti adaptation ni bi no ana se obesisa nneomum se ne ya yare no umfa ma obi ana umfa onso angibi mfi obi ho enti na me nkyerɛkyerɛ nyina saa na akoye meka organizer for asem ewo another station so na course ni feedback e ba ne se ne adwen ko ho enti adapt ne se yes sign nneoma se ne ya yebetimi atena se ne etena se Ghana for batenya yare no enti me nsisu bio clear incremental and adaptive change. Incremental and they say air con and nima nioma air cot sono na edibi ka ho ene minua ba fefe waka say nioma amode ye adwuma no endu ni pompon so so mo hia and so da bia say edibi ka ho incremental ne bi no aha enti now e ba say ye cough and sneeze etiquette say ye nwansi ne ebo wa no eno nso ese say ye hwe ne ye Kofi is me ba studio ha enka bi kura mpo a o ga speaking to the mic ohu ba bi a metie if say me obi a make say e bi a e bi begu phone so Mr. Adapt ne bi a ne enti ne ben say
movie ya so spray so nyina
crampo spray no crampo de me kasa nka munyi foam no
okay yeah
na mo fa foforo se bia mpa aduasa mo mpe cheap one bi crampo na obi kasa wi ya no mo yi na mo disinfect no no me my recommendation mo dwen ho we ye efepa ana bi expensive ento cheap one bi mfa nhye ho na wi a na obi a hye bibia kata ne nsa ho no yi na another person ba no yi enti adaptation bia no nkakra kra maka se bia ntesio ne ade begu ha ewi a pepa me phone da so ono nso ni book da so now ensachia na enchia no ye nanso enoma bi o ha brofocus and friend they are proxies to handshake eno me ka ho asem kakra before ya me dia to bia ye ko breaker na ye bibia ko fi me si hwe sa video yi no agi ogi ya machi ya no even do me
Dennis Kwako and Dr. Augustina Silverken. Be there, me buy some tomboase. Now no na metie colleague be or radio station work a cambroso and I'm say hey na dia sani asem kre. Anyway, the idea we nkona mam ya tensem. Virologist near there anyway. The patrol messages kakra from Matthew 4 both Facebook and yen WhatsApp voice note panel no so I will get time to read them na motibi but yen fa few of the voice notes we are call WhatsApp Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM any aduana ba Kofi Asante ni page atifo mo voice note amode aba no e wo yen line your voice note console no so 0244 320564 yen tie kakra.
Hello, good morning. Wagofi. From Kwabra Boa, Kasafrin Tonso. Since I buy information is a treasure among for the free outside in Eba. But woman who be put here, I know is here. And I say, so Pese will test it. Say, I know you be I'm funny, say, you bet me a call. Time information when I present public in here. Mr. Media. Good morning. Your friend is a career. Kasafri be passing. Edamasi. And I'm a quantre. I did be a member and more chere. Any doctors for my for my banswa. Almost so a trade the essay and any quan say ye. Edamasi Monton Coso Moye. Na sa coronavirus yi de ano eden paa yi
ko fimi chiao mi chaba dwafo ne Ghana fo nyina mi kasa free Italy na mi mfa mi entudwa na bibinti na lockdown na doctor na eka no e pese busa ne se basa no abane betua amanfo kana and say a dinner ban beye or the bema woman say trefi because a highway any other European and American countries no abano enye lockdown on just so we lockdown ko ewo ade odema citizens no e basa e de na aban be yamagana fo a amommo kafi that's it.
Papa, good morning. From James, make me recording free at Macassi. But Mr. Musa say, Enti say, Unya virus in say, Unya 2 weeks now, sign be an tree. Patrol, message me who, think he's here. Say, 2 weeks in my Unya be a who sign be a initially, but who say, Sin in Equana.
Hello, good morning. My question is 2 questions. My question is kind of say omo track obi a emfa say which will be obi no be nya contact. Me am no be nya contact no. Mo he say me ni pa na ye call. Na so bi so a oni ni ye ko bi oni nya ko praga no kasa gu ni so a. Ona say bi obo we gu ni so a. Say ni pa no be ni mo say ono we physical contact. Second one and say omo mo buy answer na ye loke ye cruise borders no sanko for mpacho ibi hu omo na omo buy week before no omo do say no omo we he because ye hu omo a omo be community spreading enti dem su say ka ye gaja lockdown na so partial lockdown ka be bo man no
Yo, Kofi, anope mecha wone wabadwafo nyina eba dwumede amudi so. Mi de kwame. Na masem nyina ne se na Dr. ka se ifu hoyi nka sedi ye ka se Easter break nka ye nyina yemfa adoye ene ade ope ene akomapa na nka nyina yemfa nkosa yale na wohwe ye nwia mo nkremofo ya sa adoye we nka ye enye omode kura ebi che aduane ebi che esuo omu nyina eboa sede be betimi akoyale a abei na ye akanfo yi ya na medwene ho a menti ase so okasa nka okodu be kura nka unia no abra nka wo frɛ sɛ nka wo bɛ wo no nsɛyi nka wa bɛpɛ nsuama na ɔda wo no nsa ɛso hwɛ sɛ ɔgye ne sika ansana wa ma ne nsuo ɛda wo no nsa ade na ka sanitizer yi nka yɛnwia no nyinaa yɛmfa akoma korɔ ne adwene kɔ na nka yɛmboa na ka obi ɔkɔ na so betima ma ne bi na so ko betimi de akoyale ya nka bɛboa pa nti saa sɛ na mo ka ne de ehia me paa mo nka ho yi sɛ de bɛyɛ be nyinaa betimi anya adwene ne akoma ene opepa ni tibi di aboa akosa yale ama na firi ho medamase.
Hello, good morning. Inshani, the pastor frame dead the boat, because a frame behind. The person will be say, Sabuan or bank from Mamma, and I saw a bar one tia. Would you how many minutes and son I will? My question on medamase.
Good morning. The Masapane, a Juma, Moye, Macheche, no mamma Yatia, na ready, Mr. Doctor. Me, Nipabia, me tea time, me yapa, or that my ready, Mr. Mumwami. Me tea time, me yapa, me tea me, Kim. Minima de Quintiers are a boa minum painkiller, in fact, a boa between two druby. Then wa call the woman Naba, the patrol one right.
Hello, good morning. Memobi bia achibi. Mr. Mo Minianum Ghana for me me papa no abampanyi for Mr. Mo de ubono as a Ghana yem fani me serious. Se Ghana hu de ekoso obi man so a nka ebe fani me serious. Ewom se emehu kan obi ade na de wom ni sisi amene mo ka se mi wo Tripoli sisi Libya. Ya wada nyenya kese yenye mienu okrumo mu free Turkey anaba omo anko mu fie mpo sese omo quarantine but sese no omo nim se bia be wram dada ana se bi be wram se omo nkrofo free akonto mu aba ekrum njo dada o emra nya adwuma okuru yi mu so enso omo ka se yen shedem for 10 days store nya adwuma kan koma supermarket bia mie obia ya so tie dem mesremo Ghana for mummy emfa ne masiro sisi business ekoso na yare tra na tra metoni mana wana ikudi nsika no so nya hospital na adebeko mesremo Ghana mpanyi for mamum ye ndwene sika system ni mu a sika be ko for mana.
Doctor, good morning. You're the doctor for now.
Well, too bad recording in one. My last recording, I mean, call Doctor So.
Hello, do you know about coffee? I'm watching. Sabre, Doctor C. H. Rese, I didn't know pa. Namentio. They say almost say lock down everybody. I didn't think I say abano so or preset Ghana card no montos or Eastern region.
Okay, doctors are not saying say lockdown, beba. They are proposing.
I recommend it.
Recommended lockdown. Mama, you ain't getting it right. A doctor and a squawk, but me personally, I have a different view. me Kofi Asante doctor na squad one year doctor or say you say lockdown beboa but me Kofi Asante me a different view yes doctor Augustine so well anyway it's idea suggestion because matna a north south central so a chep kakra mo amunim south central so there are most of the flats now a war
J19 J20 J21
just a one antia best hane top high filling station
has an wenya access route
could no ukuti asafo a private or best asafora ukuti fampu net the fear what you know could antia best tech junction ansana akwa yen hu anopa eti se ukuda so ati asafora nka lockdown ya ba I am a personal view.
Yeah,
I personally don't support lockdown for now.
May I respond to that?
Yeah, because people want to
start deliberation.
Okay,
because you see,
and no BBC has a lockdown social support. Because America, Obama, I'm sorry, Donald Trump, proposed the trillion now more can. Each American last 2 weeks or 3 weeks was to get $1,000 every American citizen. $1,000.
Any Kofi me hu adwen ni say
yes
enka obe support lockdown if you be ma social supporter. That's what I say. No. That's my main new anonkosi sir.
Okay.
And I'm saying say I will continue to advocate because I feel say including other things I in Jani because why I'm saying many about Canada.
Yeah.
But eno am a comedy no.
Okay.
And a buy asema me be can be a voice note by. Look. My enye me yejuma UK na ka baby. Don't be a penny wise and a pound foolish. My samri say etnase na yetimi enya enidaso wodache.
Ya mesika ni mumu yase.
Good. Yeah, I say a buying support.
Okay.
A buyer has no choice. So obey divo obey yeah sika photo a friend reserve no cry be. Near abekisho so support and at atnasia. I am more responsible than say he must support. And the any option.
Okay.
Now lockdown na make me kase putupra. Me kase gradual. Share so far nearby yefa encramantem a greater Accra temaka ho yefa santimantem a oboase ka ho nti wo hwe map baby a yare ni bia ba yenye bia positive na ofurukrum ne ade nyina ka wo kan amanfo wo mte wo yembe hye wonti the issue is that Kofi we yade ade a wo kan wa wodi so ade a kan say yenye no kakran
say hram de ohram ya na ho hyeda
oh ndi hyeda anye do ba no wo yade wa yade
ba say hram no nya symptoms
David ya ne bia e sire kakra Kofi
ya ne bia ya de doctor if any ahudo in fact as a who you be the heads now I started here because any other from bra me abefa
ajubro nti na mi si subio me si se ye be lockdown na esisi edi nkomo for ne se jana se ma woken
yeah
eno ani e fa ho adwen se wo hwe kumasi fie dada emu be se ohamu nchemu aduanan enni sebe jana wo mfie nti so mo use public toilet nti ye hono so esese ye hwe hawa ye be ma ye mom nkobo dompem say if possible I just say bia wanya diarrhea ani e ko ya ni ama oyi nti ye se ye dwen na nipa no e ba if possible kasa time no 50 pesos ni adi na mo jejeje no
yenyai
ada say be jai completely and say ye better so we must support this because and American say only na otwemi no nti ahuhia ne for na otwemi no
me a hese de besi akọ
yes if you say e betimi aboan pa na ade foforo no so ne ye kyerɛkyerɛ dada no mayen jai anon koso
ye wie na otwemi na ne ayede
na ya san evaluate ni ahwe
na yesi wana wo fia wo bi cry mze test how will we know
ye hwe ne yesi amenu aba be kan plans a
okay
ye de ye enti asema America ne say Mami kind of bro for me say me suggest lockdown is not exclusive.
Okay.
Or it doesn't mean say other things that are going on should not go on.
Okay.
Yeah. I be boy who buy.
Yankosenye.
Yankosenye.
Mami
na lockdown.
Mami ko Dr. Ernestina or Augustina. Doctor, mami tie questions how do I tie for be the buy na my nyan some understand.
Me da say obi bisa say efa no betumi akoye test ni bi.
And I
say osusu so obi a. Se si ade say uhu signs and symptoms na wo be frɛ phone number. Inti me di phone numbers no ebe tudwa se me sure se kofi ya mo aso mo di tudwa Ghana Health Services phone number ena Kumasi so phone number on anase phone numbers inti wo fra numbers ni 050 949 7700.
Okay.
Pacho Messi Subium 050 949 7700. And I assign what 055 222 2004 055 222 2004
2004.
And I assign what 055 22 005.
Okay, 055
22 005.
005.
And there be
055 22 005. Okay.
And the last one here 055 843 98 68.
Okay.
On sense to be one
055 8 my see baby we are a cycle over 055 843 9868. Pacho ususu say
it say who signs and symptoms na ube fresh number si ana ube
fresh be dey ni dey na ye hu ansan
wo ho ayehye
okay
wenya kata
okay
muti ye wo ya ebia wo honam untumi enje ehumi ye wenya high temperature fever wo sas it is kata. Inti sa signs and symptoms of wunya se wunya kata obowa kan eya wo minim ya dry and eya bit some studies actually say eya dry eya so a bit productive
to start ya bowa
anti ewa be bia na wa frɛ numbers no wo frɛ omo ne wo be kasa inti so omo hu say wo fit into the case definition na omo abeba wo honum no mo abefa wo sample say ye kasa ye nyina ye bowa na bibi na ye ko hospitals ye hospital ebeye overwhelmed ye ntumi kra contain numbers
May June March April you me say ye season Ghana ya cold
exactly
exactly man 14 bowa ne san na ezia de be huna man
inti wo frɛ numbers na omo ne wo akasa say omo ba wo honum ebefa sample na omo aba befa inti se si ade ye nheda empreachi voluntary testing and signs and symptoms no be bisa say ebe che won hu for and how long does it stay on with you viruses they are such that especially respiratory viruses answer ube hu say wo bowa na say wo hu signs and symptoms na aboa no owo ho dada
okay
because obehye umu a opese okọ wo lungs because wo lungs ni mu ehonom na ye frɛ bibi receptors it says safwa esa wo di hye bibi na ebie inti sa receptors ni wo honom inti ehonom no pe inti answer obe start ye show signs and symptoms na virus owo ho dada
okay
na some studies show say be 2 to 5 days wobetumi ehu signs and symptoms. Of course annuama we nyina ejina wo nimpedua senia wo immune system eti obi wo ho a ne de ne ye week and ye be 2 days 3 days na start obi wo ho a ye frɛ bibi ti say incubation period of the organism ana virus no wo embre bi a say obetena wo mu odane dane ne ho kakra na wa start yi ne ho edi nti na say ye boni de ro say eye wo say wa contact obi a wenya virus ni bi da se wo ho efri nimpa ho for 14 days. In fact elsewhere they do two double quarantining periods into on 1 to 14 days no more 15 to 28 days na chese a cover a total of 28 days into ebi mo yesa into virus in the depending on we immune system.
Is it possible so betimi come into contact with obi or obi na so wunya bi?
It is very possible. It is so very possible. It depending on immune system. Apart from that, so not only your immune system. So also obi be wona or started so obowa na also katawa no. Uchi wo free nimpa ne ho a ukwa hohoro wonsa. Ochia okra na ukwa hohoro wonsa we use sanitizer. Chances of course essentially depending on your free BB the load, the viral load. Madam Fubi na Madam Fubi e kan say ubowa we release it by 3,000. It's over about could be at 3,000, another one 3,000, another one 3,000. Please, this one it is not based on any scientific evidence. It is a ubosa numbers here. That's also obi se unche no bawa na wachuti where you uti every honum. Now anko we hu kra odi ko horo wonsa anase ko huhuru wenim eya say ebi ba wo hu a woni nimpa ne kasa na hopefully unya yare ni bi. Ena obisubisa say asked about the stability of the virus in automate na honum for how long. Omoye studies bebre send America no was various surfaces so ebi mo ehu say from and like I keep on saying virus no new novel until we are still learning about how the virus is able to survive on surfaces, but so far you say it stays on surfaces for some few minutes to some days.
Okay, my friend say hotline study to Jania project in your Facebook page in chat for betimi akohona you copy it and to in case of unya suspicion be betimi for any of the numbers from our Facebook page. Madam Pachotas
several minutes to some days. Ebi mo proposing 9 days. Ebi mo proposing 8 days. Inti we are still learning about the virus. Inti sesi ade na ebe boni de hura ne se mesrel wo hohoro wonsa na ne wo use sanitizer wo kasa na bia waka se obi wo ho a ohrama obebie na no ahram ese wo kata wano kakra wo de tissue paper no so wo use we a mesrel ese wo totwini ye emfa ntu bebi akeke fatu ebi a container dustbin bibi kata so eye kra wo betumi a enka hye no na chese we hu se bia we kun aboa na na se why BBC.
Okay, abusan for auto life and pay mamen kan cho say imagine so call kotoka then automatically we qualify for 5 years life insurance cover equivalent to the price of the vehicle. I mean a full insurance cover. I betimi aboa unbelievable. If CFAO partnership with Alliance Life offers a credible an incredible auto life by a CFAO. I am now enjoy this life and pay your premium for the first 3 years out of the 5 years no claims, and yet usikari nyano ebitimi about chain for the maturity period. Next time our person tokano just think about a CFAO motto and writing by Alliance Life,
just make it in bullet
and drive assured. Me pacho bomodia say ubitimi ene CFAO motors frewo 0302742100 na yetimin so abo Dr. Mensa Heba Clinic say hepatitis B koko namu yarwane mreye biara ibitreat the amount akwanya wo de ma sound pay ubitimi so a retentive memory powder ni ebi eboapa amofra ne mpanifo nyina no tie na wudi ade to kwa na refini nyina no what time you so retentive memory powder ni bia eboa ema wutimi ekọ wanim kutwi Opsid Guinness Depot wo boase kwantempono so your number is 0245 958769. Mixed up syrup and code na wo papu na high temperature ni nyina no pibina no ebeboa okra ansana ya ba be child akose wanya coronavirus boa papa patitiedra ewo ye nchen dane de nyina eduku ye papu dadada dane farmer have made pharmacy ne baby atondro bia no sabe can be friend 0322231529. I sense yen koso ankanche eti for pibria course dodo no eba for lockdown ni ade na abasa wo chifia wo hia microwave onro aduane na ayinuna wo be hiti sabri ni di aduane a eyinunu bebre air condition refrigerator gas cooker ni nyina bi wo ho mobile phone sound system atete ne be nyina so boko in the midst of COVID-19 and the dema wo bowra any of our showroom Kumasi City Mall Kumasi Edum Kumasi Bank for clinic no on sabe kan yen na watimi akwaje high sense your product ni bi amedia homeopathic clinic e wo Body Junction you treat almost every type of disease man member nyina na ye bo no so da form a wo ba ebetimi aboa wo just 30 Ghana cedis na watria for consultation na what start edge the needed care Sunday to Saturday and on the okwa just 20 Ghana cedis nti yare bia e hawo no pomodin na watimi so aba wo na ye den rheumatism malaria typhoid diabetes pomodin bra amedia homeopathic clinic na yen hwew na ohun so intimi so emwa no pe pomodin a se obetimi so Afraid 0244 486225 0244486225 or Body Junction and the Ken US Senior High School no and they didn't share anymore. Kennedy Digital Satellite 7 country said name who feel Korana ba PTV ma wom no mo hwe ya tete bonus for 4 CCTV cameras air conditioning deep freezers microwave ni nyina ye ne ye de TV no ye de bonus to dada a free 549 Ghana cedis ekokosi eye 1699 and inches 32 to 50 inches and I can once but madam bra bedroom I for utifia wini skin bra ne mfama una tua na kakra na hu intimi ento your family plaza first floor store number 2122 Patase Edum house on so ye ho ni nyina on sabeka free 0244 385128 na yetimi abua Radiant Beam Company Limited open electrical cables papa edia ye installation ye wo Turkish cable ankasa wo rural cables sanso na ye wo 1.5 to 16 mm underground cables sizes ni nyina Radiant Beam Company Limited omon komona mini wudi nko toto cable bia bitimi meja ababe to fie ni mu free 020320 0302030000 Radiant Beam Company Limited where quality meet affordability. Roca Clinic seni the vein capsules ediaba junsumu how enewo mema enema vein capsules the modern PB burning sensation bra wojunso a wote yaw ni nyina bema endamu yare nyina nso atu ediako formula no 424 papa ne no ano no first day 1 on 4 second day 1 on 2 the last day no ano 4 mema de ne pakum what in the din pakum ni din ne honam se nti bomode na pebi na wabɔ ne pakum bema na wetimi nso akɔ anim alaba ababo schools ka dynamo dental pantan bia care TV on the number near 0244183230 na yetimi abo the Vodafone eka nyina ne say opportunity say ubetimi nso I subscribe to the too much data that is star 700 hash and enjoy too much data from 10 Ghana cedi ubenya 1.5 gigabyte of data valid for 15 days 20 Ghana cedi 4 gigabyte of data valid for 1 month etwaswa anti that is star 700 hash na wo hu yen various subscriptions are ewo ho edema wo Nescafe start strong and finish strong. You don't wait for life, you go to meet life. Inti bomodin na pe Nescafe na wa enjoy ma bibia etimi so akoso kama edi ama 31 minutes past 9. Me basu sia doctor questions ni bi aka wo ha na say you are done with them. Okay, we back on na menko we na fe menko Facebook page questions kakra every waba so no na fe me na me ho for commercial break na ye me wrap up the discussion. Dr. Pacho meet you.
Obi bisa about the community spread and advocating for a partial lockdown. Indeed, lockdown ebia one at a point in time ebia ebeba so. Nemo me madwin kire ne say enka it should be based on evidence. Because see ayehu say cases miensa bi ewo Kumasi ene Obuasi. Yehu say ebi wa Accra, ebi wa Tema. Inti madwin kire me say kasa ye lock down Accra ene greater Accra region and say kaso amu nyina aka ho. But mejidi say sa enkofo ye omo eye community related transmitted infections. We have some contacts from them. Yetumi tracy omo contact bi. Omo contact ne so ebi omo test positive no, we have their phone numbers. Yebetumi attrack omo. Say you use technology to do a lot of things. Inti yebetumi attrack omo ehu say ebi aye community we ya nipa mienu e na test positive. Inti che say no sa positive no omo show up ne so they are community transmission positive cases.
Within that community,
yes. It is you see some method ya ebetumi ehu bibia friend no hotspots because yehu say ha say ye hotspot and yes our community no we can decide to limit their movement. Now we don't only limit their movement but we also do aggressive testing. Into obi or was our brono nimuno and say you test you be and say we are positive then we self isolate you and then you are managed because now WHO is preaching test. Now if we want to do partial lockdown or whatever lockdown and we are not doing the testing then elsewhere Moscow omoye bibia ye friend no mitigation lockdown and no omoyi impenimfo a omo enyi be after 65 years munyina munhye dem mo bia ampie inti eno because now evidence is there. It shows that the elderly inti if we are able to segregate them and then inti eno sa chese na sa lockdown no it has become your lockdown there but lockdown no enyo because ye community bi mo household baako your compound houses. I mean in Ghana a lot of our buildings are compound related.
Akoshe Bantman na Ashton na ye lockdown. If you back nipa be 300 negu. Be
300 negu.
We see no shewe.
Na say you see scientific method identify say aha say ye hotspot then sa community no we limit their movement but whilst limiting their movement we do testing, we do tracing and we also give them some social support.
I like that. Doctor, social support ni papa.
Absolutely.
Kakra edi no because I remember kwa si politician bi so be di. Papa Ghana dey trust obi a okremu.
Kofi.
Man for na for ho mo ton science and the 200 near ade. We this scam obi MP bi say Fabra community we want to aba ma no for almost can.
Who say Kofi?
E be scan NDC ni
MP. We an optimist with a previous bad experience. In Sana Oka, we a GD4 pan and so I did there. I mean, fuck a cram from a grow a cram fem. It was an age related lockdown, same 24 a mindful for so or my now near the cause a baby brim ha we are brooms. A baby brim had the one here. Say age related lockdown. In your man penny be near.
Not that I'm coming and so I get your pantuma.
I didn't
Anyume nana nyama fie ba kwampem nana anyume wo say yode and ye bompae say erade bedum ye na wahira ye mjinze nana fasting wo do ho behim nana no pay good morning my yankwa homa so na ye ne one lecturer ewo KNUST at the sociology and social work department na onye experience kakra for the last 1 month isi nyina na owo Hong Kong na said system no esi manage ne ho na said niema osiye no oba Ghana about 3 weeks ago na wo hwe de AC kono edien na as a social science lecturer wo betimi educate yen wo de be blend ni nyina abum na your experience be no betimi share with us Mr. Edward Samoa wa homa so Mr. Edward anope nwa che de Nhyira FM.
So Binia Kofi Atante.
Yes, senior Bibi Aboko there.
Yami Adumo mi pa na pacha monso
Yami Adum Bibi Aboko good. Mami Misau you now Hong Kong for all this while just about 3 weeks ago now oba Ghana mu. I want to believe that what test BBA there and you are safe.
Very safe. Ma go through all the protocols. Any problem bia
now this issue started now Hong Kong and with the bag Ghana my the picture saying na on take you on there and oba Ghana head the oba be hold it to one saying I answer your handle no as a social scientist and then I'll be to me educate you for so.
Yo, mimi yako fi anapaya me da wase metia atifo da wasante mamu ene Ghana mamu nyina enda mwatisa mama me sa kwan seme so bibi kaka me ho afa COVID-19 umene adafo nyina abechela no pay so do si bisa no Hong Kong ne China ehye border to mo munim die munim say on my back China for Hong Kong for so call China pa and to be a COVID message here Wuhan no measures Hong Kong government here and here say obey restrict movement and you know edu baby crama borders are free Hong Kong China and China for bano almost partially no almost close to it to the sense at a point now so almost closing it completely now over Hong Kong now China now the cases Hong Kong record at this point we don't say Hong Kong for a year pa now measures now over the good form so no a year juma the kind Hong Kong for no even say because of so many China ye kuru baako no matter omo kakranti no so mo money anya dey no ma manage say no odi anya adwuma yare no ebe ko omo nkrofo and you know it wasn't a shutdown but omo close all borders and now omo close a lot of flights from communities to other countries omo flights in Hong Kong at this moment I can say na me na ye mu bia dum aye kimi pi ba be du ye mem ne za ga ba na nke ya ka ono enti me da bobo ne na kakra bi e koso se se na mi via na me de social science perspective kakra ezem enti currently na me head ye Ghana ban ye na me anim ni Ghana ban obo ne ho modene media mo so mo bo mo ho modene pa e bi so bia de no ho agim nemum ehia say ya tokoso na ye bika ho te di kai Hong Kong to say obia obe kukuru nim so ye Hong Kong G another Chinese now be record bia na ye track with a wristband na wristband na see omo ye na say udu o flight ni mo ansa na be see no on the mouth form na wa failing na wa declare maybe I will call or fee house number or telephone number ni ade with the same back here, airport one near the Amber Nabo. Now, there are 2 options. One option is say either so be decided so back to now fee self quarantine now, yeah, kind of Ghana Hano. And also the government facility. Now, some Amber now make kind of Jumedia aiding in the say, and not obey move beyond 1 minute walk area. And you could do fear now activate on your smartphone. Then there's an endpoint obi monitor the way be and it comes with penalty. And you understand it's a any panel will fee now 90 PA no more a penalty of $5,000 on Hong Kong dollars. May have had to work of prison for 6 months.
Wow. Na Ambani what here?
Oh, the way it's an entry. Like no tenedia ombe Bibia obey with the Ambani biano, it gives a feedback at an end. Now say the Ghana Hamba the better than yet me. So which is very simple. The Ghana you track your car.
Okay.
And to say obi on man the car, yeah, you man put to the more. Obey me with the driver no at the car net to Kumasi I could do frame. And Ghana for I think to say no thank you na the for lecturers, teachers, for scientists, doctors. You can't who boom ni require the first one. You need to track the movement of the people coming. You are no air transfer with the back. And the movement no NMI are no ATATC. And you engineer control go for the ofia kreba Kumasi ofi Kumasi Konkrai ofi Cote d'Ivoire and ba Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. And the situation is very volatile. And to say Hong Kong, another US, another China, but they be almost to be an aquacodu. And you know a bit of
Hallie? Wow, too bad. I think I was enjoying the discussion. I reconnected Mr. Edward back.
Now I got the woman and master. Then someone from his young Pupona. A very many dear. Sakatira Suro director. Now I got the woman and master. Then someone from his young Pupona. A very many dear. I'm very dear. Was some good as I saw. We got a branch of and for us. Samusi wanyangu boni wa avedi ya usuni wakakla mwasisi adamu Mungue mrabanti sese ana mumeka mabusu semunuai Samusi wanyangu boni wa avedi ya shakine wakakla mwasisi adamu Mumrabanti sese ana mumeka mabusu semunuai
Okay, 32 minutes past 7 live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Okay, my and discussion, then quickly, Yababi Dibja Kakra. Okay, Edward Asamoah, a lecturer, KNUST, Sociology and Social Work Department, our year, our PhD, Hong Kong. Na experience kakra the last 3 weeks so free or buy or share with us and I di Hong Kong. Edward, now chere ambanda or the possibility of Ghana so bit me IAB and those things.
Yeah, until I make a say, yeah, my man, yet to me track a card. Now, say ambulance by government spend considerable time at the track a card and so the better driver see or Muntimin Fan Koya, Juman Vest Canning Mubotum. Me sure say you bet me adopt that process no another technology no. Where they are coming out with armbands, I bet me connected to phones because this time they will be our smartphone. And I think the paddle go now will be. And you know, maybe I may have track Ghana and need be over Ghana because they are Ghana for Beba. Or no, so a bar or the arena to buy more will be over Ghana only be. because you engineer break the spread now, and the Ghana had the mini Mobokakra. The Ambano is one of the surest means that may assure the government, scholars, researchers, they are combining within the shortest possible time. You the solution at Ghana. Now, make a be so far persuasive communication. Meaning, so okay with the Amba now, make a persuasive communication.
Okay, I think Amba and Penny Footy will look at it near her how best on bit me adapted. But by approach I communicated to a tier for no. Which you did say young call for me, man from far serious.
Ukraine, a man from far, you are serious, so the
because I just checked Hong Kong. On a China bush here. Hong Kong, and Nipa as at today, Omania be 387.
Yes.
And about
a peaking just some few weeks ago, about it last week and this week.
Yeah, and 102 are recover.
Yes.
And you have just active case of 281 and Nipa 4 and actually 1. Then you have just 4 in critical condition. And how much me I there?
Oh my God.
And now, Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Anyway, 48 minutes past 9. We have no sports. About 10 o'clock, the next few minutes, nothing. Yeah, the live worship at the Abba. Yababa Bompire, Pastor Jerry, Bidianim, Pastor Jeremiah, Bidianim, nothing for the next 2 hours. Get me, Doctor. Yeah, wrap up. Maminya, Dr. Kwakun will final closing remarks. Na ye need Jaka Kanafi Yampong. Again, you have a chapter in the midst of Nkomaya Dine.
Kofi, Ansana, maybe in the app, Mamma Quine, Name Mompire Kakra, day of fasting. Some may fasten, may say a half day, but me bompire, may Yampire who had the pa, but we dear me booby. Now, I dear me person may can a chapter on a say, Yaria Bay, as I say, Chile baby. Kofi, me a doctor, me a physical scientist. I deal with evidence. But I dear see, I just say, Nyame and Ehine. It's a sea through Nyame. It's a sea through Nyame. Near Tosumino, yes, I say, Swian say, Yenina, Nipa Bako, Robocasa Mecan say we share humanity. Minianuma before can say, Miakata Amadaka. Sir, and as I see who say, Yaria Bay, me bomb who by said day. Now clean our waha when cleaning yam on Hobaya. Bless I me. It's Yenina, Nipa Bako. As I see a true Yame, near the I am Shishie, a bois, na a no ma, and him before near can before Trayano, yen yet. Now Kofi, Mebompire. Empire may born me see Nehemia, so. At all, maybe a radi, a chirene say, on sorry waka. Now won't see. Jerusalem aban ana ebuo no na okanya wo sie no na enkofo mienu bi wo ha ebi wo Ghana ha pa wo na me de ombe mfato ho
okay
nye frɛ Tobaya ne Sambalat wo mo die na wo mo ye mamafo na empire me bebo ne sɛ yesi corona aban na aboye ho ban no Euradi emfa na dishi moja no enka the following people any no on dan omakoma omo amutrumu odin na muni adoye owo man mu ha no onkoma koma no mfa na Yesu moja de senkronkron no emfa wo manim ne etoso mienu eye omo a omonam eka nsemo enim spread fake news ya men koma koma omo a etoso eye omo a omo nyini say yari mpo no so aye no kura na te say bantuma maame na no oto ade odwum ho no nyame nka na koma no onyini because e basa and ebe boa yen say ye be ya hwe opese ohun say nipa ewu ana na huhin aba eno na nani beje nyame nka na koma ne omo etoso aye omo a yari ba ye omo fa ho bro Easter ho wi akokɔ na hand sanitizer no atum Kofi so kan na see omo profit e friend omo time bia ba ma me hwe don't we say technically coronapreneurs and profiteers nyame nka makoma na hu sɛ saa mmerɛ sɛ woyɛ no obi anya hand sanitizer ne bia wonya yare na ɔde bɛsae wo nyame nso nka ɔmo a ankoranko a enkyerɛkyerɛ mpanifoɔ ne adikandifoɔ akyerɛ no nsa hohoro wo bɔ wa na wo nwansi na wo ti ho fi nipa ho no ɔmo ayɛ sɛ ɔmo nyɛ no ɔnko makoma no ɔmo nyɛ ifi sɛ ɛno ɛna ɛbɛboa yɛn na wɔmo a wɔmo okay wɔmo a sa last group ɛyɛ wɔmo a ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo ho sɛ ɔmo anya duro ana yɛ wadi a ɛdi yɛ ne sɛ ade a ɛdi yɛ ne sɛ yɛ yɛn testing ɛhwɛ a ɛnyɛ no korɛ yɛbɛsrɛ wɔn sɛ ɔmo na mebɔ mpaeɛ ma Ghana nyinaa sɛ nyame ɔma ne nsa so wɔ so amen na ɔma yɛ akwankyerɛ ɔma yɛ Solomon nyansa na yɛmfɛnsi yɛyɛ so.
Thank you Dr. Ernest Kwakuna Mochene Nkano for Mame with Dr. Ernestina Sebastian. Doctor
enka doctor bompa yi die na anusi honoma na mum ne ameka ne se yesre Ghana for ya yeti kumase ye nyina yembra na yembeboa debia meka say life is about making an impact pacho ye bibia next time anadachi obi beka say coronavirus bar 2020 papa wait to polytank ebesi baby ameti ena no pebia no make sure say seminar eda ho ena debia ye de hohoro yensa inti Misrel so wo ubetumi aboa Misrel Nhyira FM and Love FM they have already put something together and we expect everybody to come and help. Like I said, life is about making an impact.
Thank you very much Shabisha for yebeda yen doctors and number boy and Dr. Ernest Kwakun a medical practitioner or Kumase Konfanoche Teaching Hospital Samson and Dr. Gestina Savakan or a lecturer Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology or a virologist and Kumase KUST for Edamunina. Doctor, I'm grateful and I'm paying my young fee Pastor Jeremiah and a national prayer day on the NM Ankosi Premo and Tobre on Yamia so for Chuchuru. A Pianco Kukudam will be about you so to Dunko ye more and Tian for some more share bache. Town for some of what share Corona cook now on for the Putunian in Finyamema Brabo. The Lord is still God and we have a God that never fails. Oh, my tatayata. Yanko, I was up a 04.5.